You will not stop me. Today.
Nina, why are you doing this? Why are you embarrassing yourself like this?
Give me my phone. Give me my phones. You want to go out to go and eat, right? You can't do it unless you give me my phone.
How can a woman I intend to get married to be on her phone from morning till this time? No food? The house is untidy? Your clothes, my clothes are dirty and unwashed?
Am I your maid? Frank, am I your maid? I don't get it. You don't have hands? You can't help yourself? Oh my God. So you expect me to use my well-manicured nails to wash your hard clothes? Really? What happened to the machines? Why are the washing machines not working?
Well, until you go in there and fix us something to eat. Fix the house, you're not getting your phones back.
And you're not going anywhere.
Really?
Yes.
Amos! Get a spare key and open the gate for me now.
Amos! Don't you even, I don't want to see you out here. Don't step out. If I see you, I will kill you. I will murder you. You know me, right? Don't dare me.
Nina, what's in God's name happened to you? Why the sudden change? What happened to the woman I fell in love with? What's all this for?
Are you done? Are you done? Give me my phone. Phones! I want my phones back. Give me my phones.
Can you stop this right now, please?
I just want my phones. Give them to me.
Where is she? Where is that stupid girl?
Ada, what is it now? Eh? Why are you shouting?
Are you mad?
Have you lost it?
Eh? Where is Kikamso? Or do you want me to scatter you?
See this one. Come on, will you keep that your nonsense hand to yourself?
Kikamso, come out wherever you are hiding. Come out!
Hey.
Eh? What is it?
What's going on? What's going on here? I don't know. This girl just came inside here and started shouting like a mad woman.
Madam, are you okay? You want to fight my girl in my presence? Are you normal? What do you want?
I'm looking for Chikanso. Yes. Chikanso have the God to beat up my brother. My sick brother. Everybody in this village knows that my brother is sick. Eh? I want her. I must kill her today.
Chikanso beating up your brother is none of my business. Go to her house and look for her. Not in my shop. Okay? She's under suspension and she'll be resuming by Monday. So leave.
Wait. Ada, so this is why you entered this shop and started shouting like a mad woman.
Look at this content. See that you go collect, oh. Eh? You go collect.
You will not do anything.
I will not do anything.
You will not do anything.
I will not do anything.
Get out! Get out! I said
Don't worry.
Get out!
You must collect.
Get out!
You see you? You go collect.
See this one. See this old woman. You go collect. You will not do
Stop!
anything.
Enough! Enough of all this. What's going on?
Sorry.
Chikamso this, Chikamso that. Where's Onyinye?
Onyinye went to buy food.
Continue with your work.
Hey! Can you imagine this girl, oh? Can you imagine this girl telling me I will collect? Me, Tina. Don't worry, I know where to get you. I know where to get you, Ada. Don't worry. Sounds that your brother is right. Chikanso did not even beat him well. I don't blame you. Nonsense.
different person. She is not more the same. She have changed. Pretender. You are no more the same. You have changed.
Oh my God, this girl is what is this? Oh my God. Are you No, you're kidding me. You're kidding me, girl. I said we monkey. This girl a fool. Oh my God, where did I meet you? Oh my God, how did I end up with you as a friend? Okay. It's better you call me on video call because I don't know how you want me to explain how I feel. This girl is not, don't even have sense. Better you call me. Call me. Okay, let me call you. Just let me go and try. Stop it. Can you just, this girl, can you just, what kind of person is this? The chat, I don't know, the network is bad. Okay. I think I'll send a picture. Let me see. So you see the face. Let me send the picture. Okay. So now do I look like someone that is being taken care of? Mumu girl. I know you say nonsense again. Oh my God, I know you say another nonsense. What is it? Oh my God. Omo. Are you savvy? Oh my God. Are you serious? Yeah. No.
You are no more the same. You have changed. You have changed. She have changed. You made me to love you. You showed me love before, and I know you will break my heart, and I know you are someone else, and I know you are like this, yo. I know need the way it changing go, it changing go. You are not the same person I used to know. You have changed totally. You changed. You feel man I'm you can't eat your cake.
Why all this mess? What's all this mess for?
She's now a different person. She is not more the same. She have changed. Pretender. You are no more the same. You have changed. You have changed. She have changed. She have changed. You made me to love you. You showed me love before, and I know you will break my heart. And I know just
No, wetin my tea do you? No, they talk that. I don't tell you. Every time we talk that bond, they vex me. No, they talk am. My Jesse not do you anything.
I thought Chelsea will come out and bail you. I didn't see them.
Mama, leave them. Mama, leave that matter. Leave that matter.
To hit that boy with sickle cell.
Person wey get sickle cell wey no dey mind himself, wey no dey respect him lane. If you say him dey in lane now, if follow me dog. Why they call my name like say na you give me?
I have been waiting for you.
Wetin be Ayabi? Ayabi waiting, you dey mad. Wetin dey wait for me if I dey hold you?
Chikaso, you have the mind to beat up my brother, my sick brother. Eh?
Come. Mama, wetin be oh, it's okay. It's okay now. Who happen? It's okay who? It's okay Okeko. It's okay Okori. Leave that matter. See, come listen, ma clear you. I no get anything with you. I no get kwata with you. Your brother misbehave, misyan. Now I put him back for in position. So if you talk anyhow, you say go collect.
See, I will finish you today.
Yes. You will
today.
Don't fight.
Hey,
hold it there. Hold it. Because hold it.
Who hold it? No, who hold it? Hold who?
Who you tell? Hold it. Hey! Chikamso! Hey! Chima! Chikamso, look at you! Chikamso, hey!
The crazy! Because I'm scared. I better make I eat. Na person I be na person pikin I be. But anytime where Ada go try that nonsense, we she try again. If I no kill you for this village, Ada, no say my name no become so. You crazy, stupid girl. That's you don't exhaust my energy. For man, I dey smell sha for first bath. For first bath before I chop. But as I no get strength now, make I chop first so that I go get strength. Take bath. It's nothing. It's nothing. You do okay. You no spoil.
Chikamso! Chima!
Mama, wetin happen?
Chikamso!
Wetin happen?
Chikamso, what did I do to you?
Mama,
What did I do to you, Chikamso?
Mama, wetin happen?
Hey! That girl cannot move.
Which girl?
That girl cannot get up. You have injured her. Chikamso, you just came out from police cell because you fought her brother. Now you have fought her. You have broken her waist.
Wetin come happen, Mama? Na make you dey shout like say I think say better thing na you carry dey come. I think say maybe something don happen, make I go treat the fuck up. You dey there now? You no dey there? Mama, you dey there. Na she touch me. Na me first touch am. How we say no find me? If you find me, I give you. I dey my day, now she find me come. So maybe people just pack one side, make I reach food. Na strength comot from my body.
You have to be careful. You better be careful. Chikamso, be gone.
Be careful for who?
Hey.
Mama, who I wan dey careful for? Mama, you know me. You know your daughter. I no dey like trouble. Mama, forget say everybody call Chikamso. I no dey like trouble. I dey like dey my own. But if you carry trouble come, I no dey give trouble back. I go give you war. I go carry war, give you water. Na this na my trouble. Na dem sabi o. Abeg, make everybody just leave me. I need strength. Na strength I take beat am.
You know what to do. You know what to do.
If you like, Papa, if you like, make your Papa carry army come. Or make carry plenty, wetin dey call am? Tinubu. Whether na 3 Tinubu to make one remote na sabi.
Chikamso, You better go inside. Lock yourself, oh. Don't come outside. The father will come now and he will come with army and arrest you. I'm going.
This woman wey born me no pikin o. When I lock myself inside door, see wetin happen. They carry am come. I dey wait. So that make carry remorse come. I dey here. And they mad. But I know they when they get they find my trouble.
I mean, what does Frank take me for? Babes, check me out now. Eh? Check me out. Do I look like a domestic staff?
Never, my love.
Absolutely not.
You don't. Say, my love, I love the way you behave now.
Right?
I like the way you behave. See, if care is not taken, these guys are going to turn us into domestic staff. Which is not possible. Like I told you. You see, Mike. In my house, Mike does everything. He cooks. He cleans. The only thing I do in that house is just sleep, wake up, eat. Take him to the cloud nine at the other room, baby.
Oh my God, you got him pinged! You got him pinged!
Yeah, my love.
That's good. As for Frank in this house, my dear, he won't even try that with me. The only thing I do in this house is operate my phone. I'm on my phone 24 hours of the day.
That's the spirit.
I'm telling you, I don't do anything. I don't cook. I don't wash. He does his cooking.
Wow. My love, don't give Frank that chance. Don't give him that space at all.
Darling, we're queens. I mean, he should be glad he has me as a queen in his life.
You are.
Queens are not supposed to stress themselves.
At all.
Look at my
Period.
nails. I'm just going to...
Period.
We don't stress.
And I trust you. I know what you can do. You see, Mike, if Mike tries me, if he dares it, I would threaten him I'm going to put a pin to that relationship. And guess what? He will start begging. He will beg. He will beg.
They said, follow who no room. You are my teacher, my coach. I beg you too much. Please, let's drink up.
Oh my God.
Cheers, darling.
Cheers, my love. Cheers.
To queens.
To queens.
You have changed.
What in God's name got into my girl's head? What came over you, Nina? Why are you doing all the things you're doing to me now? This is totally unlike the Nina I used to know before I got her engaged. Why the sudden change, Nina?
She have changed. You made me to love you.
Oh, my baby's home. Hi, darling. How are you? You're welcome.
Thank you very much, my love. Wow.
What?
Why is everywhere sparkling like this? What's the event?
Come on, your baby is a clean girl.
Oh, yes. I know. But you must have done a lot of work here because for the past 2 weeks, I've not done nothing to this house.
Yeah, of course, you know, but that's what I should do. That's why I'm your girl, right? You know, I'm
so
here to
much.
take care of you. You look so stressed out.
Babe, what's that aroma? What are you cooking?
So you go upstairs, have your shower, and come down.
So I'll go upstairs now and take my bath, come down to eat your food.
What is waiting for you?
All right, let me just go take my bath right now. All right?
All right, darling.
Woo!
Hello, baby. How's work? I miss you too. Can't wait for you to get home. Where you are? I should come? Baby, I'm sorry. I can't come now. I'm in the kitchen. I'm cleaning. I'm, trying to tidy the whole place. Darling, there is light and I need to iron your clothes. You know you go to work with them. Who is even talking about housemates? No, it's not even an option. No, I insist we don't need housemates. Please. This is the last time we'll be talking about it. I thought we already agreed. Okay, I'll come. Give me 30 minutes to 1 hour. Promise you. I'll come see you. I promise now. I promise. Don't worry, I won't overwork myself. I'm just doing what I have to do, right? Alright, babe. Love you too. See ya. Bye. Kiss, kiss. Housemate. That's ridiculous. Nah.
No man, this is something else. I mean, you could make such delicious meat.
You can see that again, bro.
Tim, you're a genius.
Thank you.
No wonder he's looking all fresh up and fat. Guy, now what do you enjoy with this?
You can see that again.
I will say you're beautiful. Frank, you have good sight for beautiful things.
Thank you very much.
You're beautiful yourself.
But madam, you made this yourself or you know, you can tell me the truth.
Go, Joe.
Ah.
I didn't mean to say it like that. Just.
Why do you have to say that?
But it's the truth.
For real? My girl. Oh, I'm so happy to be with you.
I'm happy to.
Are you sure? How sure are you?
100.
Ah, my God. I think it's time to go home, huh? Because I'm freaking high right now. For real? Like in Titanic, eh?
You're so sweet, babe.
You're also very sweet, darling.
This is beautiful.
I know. But not as beautiful as you are.
I wasn't expecting this. You took me unawares.
You deserve this. And even more.
Thank you for the 2 million you sent to my account. I love you so much. You know, right? You mean everything to me.
And I love you too, my love. You mean everything to me. And I should be able to take care of you as my woman, my wife to be.
She have changed. She have changed. You made me to love you.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yeah.
How you doing? What's happening?
I'm fine. I'm just coping, bro.
Hey, did you just say you're fine? You don't look fine, bro. You look retarded. What's going on?
I'm fine, man. It's nothing. Meanwhile, what happened? We were supposed to meet up the other time. Never.
A lot of activities here and there, bro. But seriously, you're not fine. What's going on, bro? You look like crap.
Mike, I've just been wondering.
Wondering about what?
Nina. She changed. I mean, she stopped doing everything she used to do before we got engaged. The Nina you know right now would not go into the kitchen to make food for us. She stopped doing the laundries. She stopped keeping the house clean. She does virtually nothing in that house.
Oh, come on, not Nina. I mean, the neatest babe I know cannot be any of these things you categorize in. It's not possible.
You think I'm joking?
It's obvious.
Well, don't worry. One of those days I'll get to invite you over to the house, so you get to see what I'm talking about. As a matter of fact, this weekend, yeah, I'm inviting you to my house this weekend. I'll see what's going on. I want you to see for yourself what Nina has turned into. And also turned my house to a waste bin.
Wait. The Nina that washes your car every morning. Oh, come on. What went wrong?
I don't know. Seriously, I don't know, bro.
You sure you didn't do anything?
Come on, bro. You know me very well. You know me very well. I wouldn't do anything that would trigger that. I don't know what changed.
This is crazy, man.
Elders, there's nothing you people will say that I will listen. You see this girl? This girl, she has vowed to destroy my family. But before she does that, I will kill you personally.
You don't do anything, sir.
Sir,
based on normal level, based on respect, what I get for you, man, just say you don't do anything. Not be last week you carry me go station. Not be the other time you carry me go station. As you carry me go station, wetin happen? No come out. 2 girls fight, I beat your daughter.
Hey, will you shut up? Shut up, Chikamso.
Mama, no, keep quiet. Don't tell me, will you be quiet? Will you be quiet, waiting? Who be quiet? Be quiet now, who be quiet, okay. Wetin I do? Two girls fight, two fighting, now beat the girl. What if na the girl beat me? Wetin for happen? Na for committee. Girl and girl fight. The other one I beat boy. You arrest me. Which kind of children you even born? None of them get strength. I beat them. The committee.
My husband, please. I have agreed to take care of the girl. Her medical bills and everything. Please now, Mazofo, let us forget this thing. Have mercy, Biko. You, I will deal with you.
You will see anything. Well, with all due respect, wey dey ground, we'll just keep respect down. You no go do anything, na my papa compound be this. Na my papa compound be this. Sama I tell you, no be because say you be elderly man. On a normal, say no be all this grey, all this white be away from your face. I forbid you join your children.
What?
Don't join the way dem dey. Wetin happen?
Cancel.
Beat your pikin, come dey fight for them.
Cancel.
One children wey no strong. I dey hear you, sir.
You fought with his son on their way from viewing center. He arrested you. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And after you are bailed out, his daughter fought you. She waylaid you on the way and she fought you.
Exactly.
And in the process, you broke her waist. What are we now saying?
Bam!
What are we now talking?
Oh, I too like this man. Oga, I too like you. No, see, for this village, no, you be the elder, what they respect. Others go see truth, they cover and they go like this. They go like this. If you say that true,
Chikanso, shut up. Shut up.
I be say we did the same WhatsApp group.
Remember, you are a woman. Why are you causing trouble in the whole village? Fighting everywhere. What's your problem?
I know they cause trouble. Now which are the tell me to understand?
What's your problem?
Mazi Dekwe, based on say you na man wey dey respect, I no dey find anybody trouble. Now wetin I dey try make una understand. My reason you how all this thing dey happen. We dey watch ball for viewing center. We dey win them. Man, you will not sabi anything. Next thing the boy begin para. Before you know, he don't touch me, touch my jersey. What will it be?
She comes to shut up.
Based on who it be. Now I'll beat her for road. Man, how they shut me up? I know they like am.
Elders, I want you to allow me call the police and arrest this girl. Because I want to put her in the cell the second time.
And the second time, Chelsea people go.
Shut up!
Let me talk, oh. Take channel. Now go there.
You can't so it's okay. Shut up your mouth.
I don't hear.
Mazioko, first things first. On no account should you bring police to arrest anybody in this village again. Without due process. There's a process in this community. But that's a matter for another day. As for you, Chikamso, you must carry that girl to Mazi Madiwe's place so that they can treat her. That will serve as your punishment. And let me also remind you, any amount that they charge you people will pay. You will pay.
Me pay?
Yes.
You give me money?
That will teach you a lesson. That not to fight again outside and injure somebody. What is your problem in this village?
Person find me and they work. You know that you say talk now. You dey tell me shut up.
Every time Chelsea. Manya.
I don't dey vex so. I don't dey boil inside. Person stop me for road. Won't fight me. I still respect myself oh. Unto say make I no fight trouble, make no be like say na only me dey this village. Next thing begin insult my mama. The mama say when they insult, so I use because of her bitter. See there they beg una. Which kind thing be this? No be you that insult, why I dey beg you? Why I dey beat am? You there they beg. Mama sometimes I know the reason. We go do DNA test oh. We go do DNA test not for reason whether na you born me because I don't understand your energy. Person insult you, I beat am. Now you dey beg. Me I can't be bad person. See this life. You see this iPhone now, they want to do good thing for person.
I don't understand your kind of person.
Me self, I don't understand the kind of person you give.
What is your problem?
Me, I want to carry her go. Now for her that go dey carry her, I no get motor.
When you carry her up and hit her waist on the ground, carry her the same way you carry her up.
Don't worry, we get wheelbarrow. You don't settle. If I blow you, no, don't let me throw away you. No, let me throw away you. Nobody thought say they go carry you go where they go treat you. You don't want treatment? You want treatment? Where place for this now? For just call you for grand now. My friend, they were. Carry on in weight. Enter. Nonsense.
Take it easy now.
Take it easy to me. Abeg. Hey! Can't give me that. Why they shout? Why they shout? You want use leg go? You want waka? Then stay away. Don't stress me, oh.
Chicken, so this thing you are doing is no good.
What is that?
Chicken, so chicken, so pick now. Please now. Take it easy. Chicken, so mama.
Aya, tell me sorry.
Sorry.
Tell me chicken, so sorry.
Chicken, so sorry.
Tell me chicken, so now you be the best.
Hey, chicken,
say up Chelsea.
Oh.
I don't hear you.
Up Chelsea.
Queen of Blues.
Chicken, my
call me queen. I go break am now. Hey. Call me Queen of Blues.
Queen of Blues.
Nonsense, yeah.
A Chelsea fan, chicken someone mama. A crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If you're talking no be Chelsea talking, not chicken someone mama. If you like football, you want chicken so go be best friend. If you like football, you want chicken so go the dog. She's a crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If you like football.
Beautiful lady. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm okay. Sorry, I want to have a word with you. My name is Nana.
Okay. My name na Chikamso. Yes, aka Chelsea Queen, aka Queen of Blues, aka The Sky is Blue, aka Ide Blood, aka The Blood is Blue, aka We Must Win, aka Blue Everything.
It's okay. When looking at you, I know that you are a core Chelsea fan.
Correct.
So there is no need of you prolonging it. Huh?
I like you.
Let me just go straight to the point.
Sign.
Like I said, my name is Nana and I'm a very well businessman. I'm doing well for myself. I just came to the village and I'll be strolling around. If you see me now, I am a big boy. I have like 3 cars, 4 mansions. I have 2 in Abuja, 1 in Lagos and 1 in this village. Yeah. A big boy is like.
You package, guy,
So,
you got.
I'll be walking around, just moving around, searching for a beautiful woman that will be my wife. So immediately I saw you, I paused, and something tells me that this is my wife. Yes. So I want to ask your hand in marriage. So I want you to be my wife.
Just like that.
Yes, just like that. You're beautiful.
And that's how the marriage thing they happen. As in, you just see me now, you reason me, say that your wife be this.
That's how the spirit works.
That spirit, that spirit, that spirit, that spirit. Anyway, the spirit still follow.
Thank you.
It still follow. Anyway, from everything where you don't talk, you enter.
Confirm.
I see.
I'm a big boy, a big guy.
No, like, you did. Like, correct guy. I like you. It's the flow. I don't know. Get waiting the flow. I don't understand, but that spirit, that spirit they try. Oh Allah, me as I dey like this, I dey single.
Wow.
But I know they search though. But as you know, don't search me. Based on say Bible say he that finds a wife. Now you don't find me. You do okay, nothing spoiled.
Okay, you correct dude.
You from this village, Abi?
Yeah, of course.
You don't blend finish. Just based on one chicken information now what I need. Okay. Ma for take cement am.
No, go ahead.
So that we fit run am.
Okay.
You dey like football?
Football?
Yes.
Of course, I'm a football fan. I'm a core Man U fan. Red Devils.
You be call waiting?
Man U fan. Don't go there.
You be Man U fan?
Yes.
Based on say you don't already see my guard, you say you know say I be Chelsea fan. Why you stop me?
It doesn't matter.
Wetin be doesn't happen? My friend matter. You wan marry Chelsea fan? Man U and Chelsea dey marry. If you be Everton now or Newcastle now for still dey manage, those ones who dey sabi handle una. Man U wey be say when we beat una na go dey do anyhow. Make you marry me, make we dey fight inside house when we don beat una. Dey carry bottle, dey argue. You and who dey fight, you dey mad. You that's how dey play. If not be one thing now for just woes you like this, that kind of woes wey they give like this, you dey craze. You stop me, they talk marriage. Man you get mind. Make you come down small red devil full everywhere. Make them they run up and down. Guy, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. If not be say you be man, may not be like say woman beat man now. I for just handle you. What get a ball now? What bag in minute? In a poala.
Like seriously, you mean this?
You dey mad? Which one be serious? I be like say they play. Guy, respect yourself. No try am again, no. Anytime I see anything wey resemble me or anybody wey resemble me dey pass, no try stop that. They talk, they laugh, they mad. They stop me, man. You they want marry Chelsea. No, take club get size. As shoe take get size, club get size. Find your size, oh. They mad. Nonsense.
Just like that.
You want collect? You want another thing? You want collect? You ask me just like that, just like Imigi. That quarter sign. That respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. No, they carry you anyhow. But they walk out for village, they find wife, they lie up and I get car, get this. No wonder I smell lie. I not say you lie, man, you not too lie.
But can I? Hello? Please, can I?
If you like football, you want chicken soup. She's no way different, the same. She is no more.
Hi, darling. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Just like that?
Oh, babe. I'm sorry, okay? Just 1 minute. I just want to reply one message on Instagram. Oh. See who is home. My baby is home. Come here, darling. Are you okay now?
Oh, that's the food you ordered for. Advise to take it to the kitchen and warm it.
Oh, come on, baby. Please, can you help me, please?
What are you doing? What exactly are you doing, Nina?
Darling, you know there's this WhatsApp group I'm in, and we're having this hot conversation. I just don't want to miss any moment.
So the hot conversation on WhatsApp is better than the food you're about to eat?
Darling, honey, sweetheart, please. I'm just asking, help me.
And I know you are someone else. And I know you are like this, yo. And I need the way. You are not the same person I used to know. You have changed totally. You changed. If it meant I'm you can't eat your cake and have it again. You can't eat your cake and have it again. She's now a different person. She is
Babe?
no more the same. She have changed.
Hold on. Does it mean she's still in the sitting room? I slept off on an empty stomach. What's going on? Babe? 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 What's going on?
Babe?
Huh?
Babe, you didn't warm the food?
Hold on a minute. Don't tell me you've been here all day and night pressing your phone and even slept off. You forgot to go warm the food.
What's the time? What's the time?
What kind of question is that?
Oh my God. 10 p.m. It's 10 p.m. already.
It's high time I aired my view. You've lost it. You've totally changed. You didn't even care if I had something to eat before going to bed. What's going on? I mean, right now I regret buying this phone for you.
Come on, babe. Why would you say such a thing? What do you mean? I was just playing around with my phone, hoping I'll, get sleepy and go to bed. That's all.
Can you imagine? Now the whole food is ruined. You happy now? Huh?
I asked you to warm it. You didn't warm it.
What do you mean you asked me to warm it? I just came back from work so tired I needed to rest.
Okay, you don't have to scream. What do we do? Okay, calm down.
All right, you tell me, what do we do?
I don't know. I'm hungry as well. I can call them to make noodles. To order online.
You want to order noodles by this time of the night? Nina!
Thor, let's go to sleep. Tomorrow we'll get food. Babe? You can't just walk away. Jeez. 1,000 unread messages in. Oh my God, I can't believe I missed all of this.
Oh, see who's sleeping. Oh my God. Hello.
Just stop.
Why? What do you mean stop? Oh
I said stop. What's all this?
I don't understand. Why are you asking me to stop? Are you not my man, my own fiancé?
Nobody's disputing that fact.
Come on, babe.
Hey, just stop. I'm not in the mood, alright? So stop right now.
I can put you in the mood.
I said stop! For God's sake, I'm tired and hungry at the same time. So stop.
You're hungry, but you're the one that left the noodles on the table to get bad. I'm hungry myself, but we just have to, sleep with empty stomach.
Why are you doing this to me? Why in God's name are you doing this to me?
What am I doing?
You're gradually changing from who I used to know to who I do not know nothing about at all. For months now, you've been doing nothing but operating your phone and ordering things online with my credit card. The panty you soaked are still in the toilet. The kitchen is jam-packed with dirty plates and pots. I had to fix this bed to lay my head. What the hell is going on?
Well, maybe I just realized I'm not a maid. And I'm not your housewife. Oh yes, maybe you engaged me, my fiancé, but I'm not your domestic staff.
You used to do all of the stuffs before. And I appreciated you for them. So what happened?
So what do you want exactly? I should use my well-manicured nails to do what? Clean the whole house? What do you actually want from me? Do I have to turn myself upside down to please you? Get a maid.
Really?
Yes. What is all of this? You even gotten me off the mood. Oh yeah, my undies are soaked in the toilet. Why didn't you wash them? I mean, men do this thing. Men who really love their women, they wash their undies, to prove the love. You're not going to be the first person. You go there to wash your boxers and you see my undies. The same undies that you use your hands to pull down every night. Please, don't even know.
You shocked me to my bones. But it's alright.
What's all this attitude for? Why did I even come to this room? I should have just stayed in the sitting room. Doing what I should be doing. But you're getting all this insults and disrespect. Because I just want my man to touch me. Oh, please.
Everybody need peace of mind. Everybody need to be loved.
Baby. Babe. Babe.
Yes, my love. Good morning, my love.
Good morning, sweetheart. How are you?
I'm very fine. You're ready for work?
I'm already leaving. I'm late. What are you doing sweating like this?
I woke up around 5 o'clock to prepare your breakfast and make rice and stew for your lunch.
You're not serious. Come on, babe. I can take care of myself. It's quite too early. I mean, when did you sleep?
Babe, stop.
No, we slept quite late. And you can't wake up this early to prepare breakfast and lunch for me. Come on, I can fix myself up.
No. Baby, you cannot have me and eat out. I will make sure that you eat homemade meal for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Come on. You know I love you so much. I can't even allow you to go to work without eating anything or packing your lunch for you. You know it's not possible. Come on.
Babe, I know how much you love me. Come here. I know, right? But what I'm just saying is, I could just, fix myself up at work.
You always eat homemade meal. For lunch, dinner, breakfast, anything for you, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Come here.
Come have your breakfast and take your lunch along with you, okay?
Babe.
Baby, stop. Come on.
Breakfast is enough. Taking lunch.
I've packed it already. Stop. Come. Let me serve you your breakfast. Come on. I've packed your lunch already.
Okay.
So see it, I'm coming.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
A Genzy fan, chicken someone mama. A crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If your talk could not be Genzy talk.
And good morning.
Morning.
I'm going to work already.
So like this.
Let me help you now.
Don't help me like this. You're going to work.
Mama, let me help you.
So why can't you change your dress code for once? Dress like a woman.
Mama, before you come on, let me make a help you.
Ayorongi.
No verse. So anyway, for the uniform, Mama, no be waiting if you talk. I don't tell you before. Now me be Chelsea queen of Chelsea. I got to represent our people. I got to fly color. You understand? Yes, queen of Chelsea, aka queen of blues, aka the sky is blue, aka we are there. Come be today when we get mad.
Chicken, so I will set this thing on fire.
Mama, you say?
You heard me.
Mama, what kind of language is that? Now, Mama, don't speak that kind of English again. No. I don't like what you talk. I swear, now because you be my mama, on a normal, anybody who talk this thing don't collect. Mama, you know how many bones so I don't break because of this kind of sentence. How you going to put bone and Chelsea just inside the same sentence? It don't make sense now. Mama, I don't like Amo. It was saying a food you tell me say you no go give me, I no go talk. You tell me say I come for your house, I no go yarn. You tell me say you no go give me money I ask you for, no problem. But sure you say you go born Genzy. No be just like nice Genzy, no be one my club. Now tell mama
chicken.
Man, no talk wetin go call your sister. Now tell her I talk something. No. I don't talk my own. No. No make sense.
So behave like a woman. Chicken, so dress like a woman. Make yourself look attractive.
Mama, I don't tell you I be woman, no be tomboy. I be woman. And they make you understand. I just represent my club. I just wear my jersey. It does not make me a tomboy. I be woman. It does not change the fact that I'm not a woman. I'm a woman. You know how many men when they check me for road if I dey waka? Mama, if it is a man, no, they ask me out. Mama, they kill themselves. They jam themselves for road because of me. Hey, Mama, I need to see now. Check I no one out now. Wait till I no get. Mama, wait till I no get. Mama, no, check I no one out. I no be like woman. Stop that level.
Hey, I'm a kwami hempu.
Mama, anyway. Anyway, you want make I help you? I no help you.
Don't help me.
Bye-bye.
If you like,
I just pray my madam doesn't fuck up today.
Don't go and learn the work that they sent you to go and learn. Also, give for Ghana and never born. Also, Chelsea United and you should have been a boy now. Can you do mad over here? Can you do mad over here? This banner room, blue. For what can hey!
Chikamso is not yet here by this time. And she is to resume today after her 3-day suspension.
Yes, ma'am.
I see. And it's almost 9 o'clock. This girl, she's playing with fire. Once it's 9 o'clock, she gets here. She will be the one to iron all these clothes today and tomorrow. You're not going to help her out.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I just pray she doesn't get here on time. I can see she wants more suspension, and I'm ready to give that to her. Continue with what you're doing. And you, hurry up. Madam Amaka, is her clothes ready?
No, ma. She said she'll come this evening.
This evening? All right, I'm heading out. If she comes, just get the balance, so 15,000 naira. No excuses, so. Be fast about it. I'll be right back.
Come. That Genzy coach needs to be starved. I tell you, I don't like that man. No time I like that man at all.
The thing pain me. The thing pain me. The thing pain me so that I no fit close eye for night. See man, you now. Liverpool, Man City. The one wey come pepper me pass na Arsenal. Which kind level be that now? It don't make sense. Wetin come be that one? Nah, guy, the thing pepper me. Sometimes I no fit close eyes sleep yesterday night. I no fit close eyes. I no even chop down at normal level when we don't lose match. I no dey eat. This one I no fit even close my eyes. So I dey sleep.
Even me, I say I don't sleep well at all. I don't sleep well for night.
I be like say I dey play. See my eye now. My eye no dey see eye. I no be like we never see. Take food the eyes now. But anyhow wey e be o. Anyhow wey e be, whether we win or we lose, so my guy.
Yes, nah.
No retreat, no surrender. Chelsea for life. Chelsea. My guy.
I say, you know they too for we area.
I go see.
I say no they too.
You know fit dey.
The blues.
For life.
The blues.
For life.
Oh, you do too much.
You sabi what's up. You dey there, my guy. That game, man. That game. But it go be, sha. It go be.
See. Hey, come. Yesterday, I see you carry Ada for bottle. What you go happen?
Mama left me. The girl, she misbehave. I put her where she supposed to belong.
Misbehave?
Na the brother o. The other day now we go watch match for viewing center. So the boy just match me down. Next thing he carry that in hand wey be like we get leprosy touch me say make I go change, make I go sell my jersey, take buy slippers.
In the grace.
You dey reason the insult.
Which kind of insult is that?
You know me now. Normal level. No, they ask which question? Which kind of question be that?
You don't break their waist.
Normal level, I wait for am for road, I match am down, pin am somewhere, beat that sickness wey dey him body comot for him body.
Wow.
Beat am finish.
Calm so.
On a normal level, wey I beat am, na the sister o. Na that way you know, wey be like wetin dem wan break. Carry herself come, wan zuzezu. Now it's Zazazu and put her where it belongs.
Correct.
As veteran defender of the universe, he won't come defend his brother. I break waist, come up for him.
You're not breaking waist.
I break his waist, keep his waist here, but this time like this.
Calm so. I believe you.
My guy, I carry him waist to one side. Carry him body to one side. On normal level, now I know how to be for this village. They two got sick. Every small thing, they don't call meeting. Now elders a committee say bad na if na city who wan call him meeting na because say na village everybody sabi everybody they call meeting na say wetin I go do say I go dey carry am go Mbadiwe place make dem dey for arrange the way say na me go dey carry am go no matter no problem na she dey collect pain na she dey collect the pain na me dey carry am dey go I carry am go there dem dey do the thing go see where she dey shout that's if she go use that waist again. My brother.
I say you do well.
Every person do anyhow, you see anyhow.
You know they do for here.
I don't go this morning.
I won't begin go work.
You see they go work today?
That's true. My go also now. I mean, you go give me money.
Where you keep money?
That's the if you owe money.
I know. As I dey like this, my body dey pepper me.
Okay, now make it be.
Don't forget we get match this evening.
Why?
Are we at Liverpool?
I go show.
Based on how it be, match tell you wetin go happen. 4-0 first half. Straight up.
Oh, your mouth go work.
Give me the money. Give me the money. I need that money to go and buy some items today.
You want 250,000 naira to buy a piece of gown?
What is 250,000? What is 250,000 only that big boys like you spend on their women? What is all of this? Frank, I didn't used to know you like this. You're becoming stingy.
You know what? I'm tired. And I'm hungry. You're supposed to have prepared something for me to eat, at least, before going to work. But instead, you're out here asking for money all the time.
I'm hungry myself. Okay? So if you're hungry, you're going to the office. When you get there, get something for yourself. Maybe snacks, soft drinks, and you'll be fine. Please, can you now give me the money I need?
It's all right. I'm on my way to the office now. I'll see you when I come back.
Oh, that's not possible. Okay? You're not going anywhere until you give me the money I need. Okay. Darling, please. The thing is, we're going for a group reunion party. And I really want to look my best, okay? I want to look beautiful, classy. I want to look outstanding. Don't you want me to look outstanding? Or is your plan that I shouldn't look outstanding, right?
What's the essence of this group you're into? You call her the Queen of Kings, and yet you have nothing to show for it.
Frank.
You're just there wasting your data and time. Time you should have used to do something meaningful in this house.
Go get yourself a maid, okay? I am not a maid. If it's your plan to turn me into a slave in this house, it's not going to work. Are you now going to give me the money?
I'll give it to you when I come back.
Better.
She have changed, pretender. You are no more the same. You have changed.
What's this? He wasn't like this.
Babes, how far now? Madam don't come. Eh? Good morning, ma. Ma?
What's the time?
Babes, let me check. Waiting the knack. Check now. You no get phone. Check. Let me check waiting the knack.
This is 9:38 a.m.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Ma, no vex, I beg. No vex. Now my mama. I don't ready since make I come. You know me. I dey keep to time. Now my mama tell me say I go fetch firewood before I go fit come work. Now waiting follow delay me. No vex. No vex, I beg.
Chika, so what's the meaning of this?
I don't understand, ma.
How many times have I warned you not to wear this kind of clothes to my shop?
Ma, na waiting I get be this so. Yes, based on say most of my clothes na Chelsea up and down. You know, as Queen of Chelsea, Queen of Stamford Bridge, aka the sky is blue. So now waiting I get be this. Any other clothes within my box now like those kind Christmas clothes. Some of them I don't pass. So now only this one they available now. You know, say me I no be all these fashion person. All these fashion things, you know, they too enter my eyes.
I want you to go back to your father's house. Put on something better and come back to the shop. I'm giving you 20 minutes to do so.
Kamso. She has warned you several times not to dress like this to her shop.
I beg, my hear word. Which kind want me? Which levels she get to take one me? Now she dey buy clothes from me. I be na get uniform for here. Why go dey wear come? No be wetin person get to go wear. Man, I tell you wetin dey worry this woman. Now because her boyfriend na Arsenal fan. Now wetin dey talk? Man, I go sit down na because her boyfriend na Arsenal fan. They no dey carry league. He just dey confused. Dey talk anyhow.
Go and change your clothes, Biko.
Abeg, wait first. Mosquito dey make noise. You get mosquito wey be like say dey talk. You dey hear am. You dey craze. Na me dey follow yarn since when? Starting when? No. I go slap you, guys. If I was you, you go disappear. They mad.
You will not try it. You will not try it because I'm your senior in this shop.
I go kick you now, guy. I go kick you.
Cancel.
Madam.
Don't try me. I'm giving you 20 minutes. Go home and change.
I go here.
Are you still standing there?
It's in your matter.
What are you doing? Oh. Tell me, do you even talk to this your friend at all? Eh?
Tina.
What?
Tina.
Eh?
Boy, here was sagging. To be frank with you, you're looking for her trouble in this shop. Did you buy any clothes for her?
Is this the only clothes she has? Eh? Tell me.
Yeah. Oh, the day she comes to beat you in this shop.
I beg.
Don't expect me to stop her from beating you because she will beat you.
Get out.
She will not try it. So what did she won't try it. Oh no, get baba.
Everywhere. Chelsea.
I beg.
Is she shouting the Chelsea with your mouth?
Please get out.
Eh? Because face your work. Face your work.
You face your work.
Rubbish. The day she will beat you. And I can't get you know now.
She will not try it.
Okay. Man up here for me.
Madam. So how have you been?
I'm fine. The way you're shining these days, there are some things you're not telling us. That reminds me. Concern that your daughter. And so, yes, I will accompany my brother's son. Yes, I will accompany my brother's son to come and seek her hand in marriage. Yes.
No problem. I will inform her uncles.
Yes.
I
can tell you that if she agrees, my brother's son is going to take her to Italy. Yes, that is what he told me. I'm telling you. Yes.
Hey! Someone will accept it.
Yes,
Many times.
I know that.
She will accept it.
Yes.
Thank God though. Hey!
Don't worry, you will see it. I want to let you know that God has remembered your family and has decided to wipe away your tears.
Yes, so God has remembered me.
Yes.
Me, my daughter will marry an obodo.
You.
I will go and inform her uncles immediately.
Oh, that would be nice.
Hey!
So just take care, eh? Please help me and greet her for me.
I will greet her.
Oh, bye. Oh, thank you. All right.
Hey! Chikam someone that they did not believe in. Chikam so gwom. Somebody is somewhere loving her. Hey! Chineke na thanks. Hey! Okwadi obodo oyibo. Hey! Chukwu na thanks. Hey! Who opened my door? Onyekwa? Let it not be that all these small boys that go about breaking into people's houses are in my house. Hey!
Only now wow, this Chiganso girl is not yet back home. See, it's almost 2 o'clock and she's not back. What is wrong with that girl, sir?
I'm bothered though. I'm worried. Her number is not even connecting. I hope she's fine.
See, let me tell you, Chiganso is not ready to learn this work. Yes, she's not ready. That girl can do anything for football. She can do anything for Chelsea.
Now I'm coming to that. I've never seen her kind of person. She's so... Oh my God, I love her vibes. Tina said the truth. Don't you like her vibes? Hey, Chelsea!
That Chiganso is a crazy fan of Chelsea.
I know.
And I know that wherever she is now, she's not even bothered.
I don't know, I just hope she's fine anyways.
Welcome.
Chiganso is not yet back.
No, ma.
I think I'm done with her. Let me call her auntie. I'll tell her that I don't want to ever see Chiganso in my shop again.
Ma, please, don't call her auntie yet. Maybe something happened. Let's wait for her.
That's not my business. She's no longer my apprentice. And both of you should listen. I don't want to ever see Chiganso in this shop again. If I do, both of you will have me to contend with. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Amaka, is her clothes ready?
Yes, ma'am.
The one I told you about.
Yes, ma'am.
Bring it to my office.
Who's keeping Chiganso now? Who's keeping her? I just hope she's fine.
Nne, you have to talk to her. Yes, so you have to talk to her before I will do something that she will regret. Can you imagine that she will not do something that her boss asks her to do? just to remove that cloth that she wore to work. Come on to remove it or she refused.
Sister, calm down. Calm down, we'll talk to her.
She just finished serving 1 week suspension. She wants to serve another one.
What is all this? Does Chelsea better her life? Okay, sister. Just give her the phone. Let me talk to her. Oh, she has gone out of the house. Okay, sister, don't worry. Don't worry, I'm coming back to the village. Yes, but please, sister, I don't want you to burn any of her things. Okay, please. Yeah? Thank you. Susan again. Hello? Susan Alpha. What? That is what the mom was just telling me now. Hey, babe, please. Babe, please calm down. Calm down, okay? No refund, please. Yes, I'm begging you, please, no refund. You know what? I'm coming down to the village. Yes, I'm coming down. Anywhere you want us to meet, your shop, anywhere, I'm coming. Okay, please now. I'm begging you. Remember, we are friends, and you're doing all these things because of me. Yes, because Biko. Yes, please, I'm coming. You will, in fact, you will see me. I'm coming down now. Okay, thank you. Hi, Chikanso. Chikanso, what do you want for your life? What do you want in your life? Do you want to kill everybody? Work. You don't want to work. Hi.
That girl was so violent on me. I tried my best.
Who is holding this girl? She should come and carry me.
Who could have thought that Chikanso could break your waist for you? Even the mother tried her best. That girl is evil. I keep on saying it. That girl is evil.
I can't stand it.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Chikanso, what kept you so long now? Come and take me to Mbadiwe's house.
They Chris. They mad. They don't teach you how to talk for our family. Now me they command. No. Now me they use that mouth. They take you like say they smoke something. Man, don't use this verse of match where we lose. Enter you. If I enter you, go be like a trailer. Trailer will lay you. They mad.
What is my business now?
What is your waiting? No, what is your waiting?
My business.
Your business. When I wait till they do that one. Wait till they do that. See you. They don't come out your waist. You see the wine mouth. I knock you this. If I knock you this thing for face now, your face self go come out. They craze. Please, when you don't stand here, you come carry stick. Why not carry yourself go by the way, please? Must I carry you? You see barrow here?
Chikanso, go and get barrow. Please.
You see they command me.
Go and get barrow.
You see they command
Go and get barrow.
You see they command me. If I hammer you this, if I have this girl, now one thing. Now one thing. If not, I for come on your face, keep her for ground. We go continue this discussion. Nonsense, girl. And get by no get sense. They talk anyhow.
Don't bother, I'll take her there.
Who be this one?
Let her go.
Where you from come? Who you be? Where you from come? Now me then if I blow you from if I stamp your face, you go for that wall. They go peel them out. They open mouth, they talk anyhow. If you look me that eye again, I'll come on your eye.
Chikanso.
If you look me that eye again, hey, you. If you look me that eye again, I go come on your eye. Keep her for ground here. Stupid girl.
Chikanso, come and take me to Mbadiwe's house.
You still never get sense. You see, you know what he put you for this condition? You no get sense. You know say no be everybody that they jump. For your mind now, you won't block me for road, may you beat me. No ask question. Before you do something, you go do investigation. Ask question. The person where you want will lay, you feel will lay you jump road, you come beat Chikanso, then beat your waist come on. The next time our head I go comot keep for ground, you go judge the matter, nothing go happen. They hear me? Nothing go happen. Nonsense girl. I better stay there and bring barrel.
I will report you to the elders. I will report to you.
You will report me people. Is this how they fear that? Is this how they fear that? I know they fear that. The only person why they fear na God. Elders na God. Elders na God. I be the grace. Umugie. Wait, never dey pay you. We even tell me you stand here. Nonsense. I better wait till I go bring barrel. If you get sense, Kuma carry yourself dey go because that barrel go Kuma break your waist finish. You know see they be me and you.
Are you coming?
Now you go come.
Are you bringing the?
Now you go come. Nonsense there.
Chikam Soleil, you and Chicken so go be best friend. Play like this, make you so call the girl for Chicken crazy fan. Chicken so mama, Chikam Soleil, you and Chicken so go be best friend. She know the rest here when it comes to Jesse Club. She's a crazy fan. Chicken so mama, if you like football.
So this is you, eh? This is you. I can see you don't have sense. You're running mad in this village. Common sense you do not have. And you're not ready to learn. This girl, what is your problem? Listen, I don't want to ever see you in my shop. You are no longer my apprentice. If I ever see you in my shop, I will arrest you.
Wait, let me be all this one now. Are they your shop? Are they your? If I insult you now, I go beside they insult you. Are they your shop? You say I know they work for you again. No problem, no one. Now me not dey my own. No, you stop me. Come they insult me. You don't respect yourself. Every time you go carry pepper body, they walk up and I know go marry. You don't go marry this woman. You don't go marry. They do anyhow. When person tell you something now, go be like say don't talk to you back. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Are you not? Are you talking to me like that?
Are you not? You not? Me not? Me not? Now you not? No, now you not because I dey waka pass. You stop me. Which one be talking to you like that? Not be you stop me. Every time you go dey pepper body, dey frown face like shit where they throw catapult inside. How man want to stop you with that kind of face? Every time body dey pain you. You don't dey go 48, you never marry. How you want to marry? When you dey always carry pepper body, dey walk up and down everywhere. I better respect yourself.
Come, so don't you have respect?
I bet my hear word. Don't you have respect? See, I know they work for you again. As I dey like this, I dey talk my mind. All these things I dey tell you now, I don't tell what I want to calm. That got opportunity don dey make Kuma talk am as e be me. They hear me. No dey do anyhow, make no see anyhow. On a normal day, normal level, no some kind person stop me here, go what's in face for am? They talk. Hey. You see that your chingom boyfriend? You see that your moi boyfriend, sweet boyfriend? One and move. One that guy, make no dey follow me, they talk nonsense. See, I know be those girls where they sleep with. Guy wey don sleep with every girl wey dey this village, that public toilet. If for him mind now, as he dey now, if he say if he spread chikamso leg. For him mind now, that him small brain, they tell am say he go fit spread chikamso leg. He believe am. He come meet me. One and more, make no dey deceive yourself. They wait for my guy.
Do not talk to my man like that.
Who be your man? See this your man. Who be your man? You get man. You get man. I bet they carry talk anyhow, make if I no receive. You hear me? Just one arm.
She comes, so take your time.
One arm. You take your time.
Take your time.
Hey, I never finish your hair. Get wetin I remember now. You see all those things where we carry come on your shop. Say you want teach me work. All those things where you say we'll bring the money, the malt, the milk, the mineral. One don't even know why you dey ask for malt and milk. Now blood you take style they ask for. You won't drink malt and milk, they forget you they feel this. Now they find malt and milk with style. I beg. As they hear me like this, you go return everything. Now I learn anything. Wetin I learn for your shop? No be only make I dey put button. Now they tell me every time they put button. They put button. Next thing you go carry money give me. Man go buy red oil. I be na red and white thread. Hey, don't do and finish. You tell me say I don't learn work. Guy, I dey give you 1 week. 1 week if I come, we don't see that money. You go know why they call me chicken so they mad. They follow me, they yarn. What did Chelsea do? You say where Chelsea they pepper you. Losing your face. Make for see us better husband married.
You're talking to your madam like that.
Who be your mother? They crazy. Just thank your God say I no was you slap. If not, you for do alright. Nonsense, madam. Stop me. They talk nonsense. I won't even respect myself small. Respect you.
When it come to Genzy football, she's a crazy fan. She can someone.
Bella, what happened? I mean, it took you so long to open the door. I hope all is well.
Everything is fine. I'm so sorry. I had to do a little touch up on my face, you know now. You know now.
No. Bella, the pretty girl.
My love.
It's okay. It's okay.
I wish you know I was trying to tidy up everywhere. For you not to find out that I was washing Mike's clothes.
Your house is so fine and clean. I like how it looks clean all the time. Mike is really hard.
Mike is hardworking.
Oh, you really put that guy in his place.
He's trying his best. Baby girl, what do you want me to do?
You are an inspiration.
I'm in charge.
Inspiring girls.
I'm in charge.
Talking about who's in charge, I'm in charge of Frank's life.
Girl, that's on period.
Seriously, imagine Frank saying I should clean the house, wash his clothes.
Never.
Me, Nina, wash and clean with my. You know how much I spend. You know now. You know.
I know everything. I know everything. My day is not possible. Why would Frank say something like that?
Imagine.
Why would Frank choose to stress you unnecessarily? Why?
But you trust him.
I know what you can do, my love. If Frank needs someone to wash, clean, cook, he should better go and hire a maid.
You know.
He should hire a maid.
Am I a slave?
Is he forcefully trying to turn you into a maid?
Can you imagine?
You were too classy for that. You were too posh for that.
You know.
My love.
Right?
Don't give him that space.
Me.
Don't give him that opportunity.
Why are you talking as if you don't know me? Trust me now.
I trust you.
Trust me to
trust you.
In his place.
Frank should better go and get a maid. You were not a maid.
By the time I'm done with him, he won't know when he'll go and look for it. He will practically carry a placard. I'm looking for a maid.
I swear, I know what you can do, my love. I know what you can do. My love, can't you see what Mike is doing?
Oh.
Mike cleans, he wash. He washes even my clothes.
Oh.
He cooks. Mike does everything. I just relax. Eat, sleep, wake up.
You don't know how lucky you are. You are so lucky to have a man like Mike. So I love that guy. Not Frank that keeps stressing me. Always nagging like a pregnant woman. Do this, do that. You didn't do this, you didn't do that. What is it?
Frank should get a maid for you. He should stop stressing you. Eh? You're classy now. Aren't you seeing how sophisticated you're looking?
Look.
You're so classy, my love. Frank shouldn't stress you.
Please, oh, I don't want stress. See, let me tell you, by the time I'm done with him, he will use the placard to move around the town
looking for a maid. My love, I know what you can do. I know what you can do. My babe.
That's okay. We have a party, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You're going to come?
Sure. Life of a party is there.
You know, girl.
Sure, my love. I'm so coming for that party.
Well, that means we don't have a choice. We have to be there.
And Mike don't have a choice too.
He's letting you go, right?
He doesn't have a say. What are you saying? I do anything I want. Mike don't have a say. So I am there live and direct.
Mike is really sent from heaven to you.
I swear.
I'm telling you. Do you know that Frank is trying to, because I'm seeing it in the way he's talking and his countenance, he's trying to stop me from going for that party.
Don't give him that space.
It won't work. It will not work.
Don't give him that space.
It's not even possible. I must go for that party.
We are there,
We are
live
there.
and direct.
Admins must be there.
We must be there now.
Guy, if this babe asks you to get a maid, get a maid. What's the big deal?
My problem is, how can I have her in the house when she's practically doing nothing? Why? How? Don't you get it?
Bro, get her a maid. I don't like the way this thing is stressing you and making you. Bro, I fight for your mental health. Get her a maid and rest. I mean, my girlfriend told me she's been talking to her. I don't know what you're discussing, but I know she's been talking.
And I don't think she's listening to you, girl. Yes, because she has become a thorn in my flesh lately. I think I'll just get some of our friends to talk to her in the house. Let's hope it works.
Bro, make you no be like say this babe they set you up or something. You know? But whatever it is, I think you should just do her bidding for peace to reign.
I think after work today, we'll just go to my house so you get to see things for yourself. Because it feels like you think I'm saying ill things about my girl. Don't worry, we'll get to my house so you get to see what I'm talking about.
Well, you're the man of the house, whatever you say, man. But just watch it, man. You know? It's affecting your mental health, man.
I'm fine.
I'm going out to eat. I mean, my babe made some delicious meal for me to eat. Aren't you going out for lunch?
Oh no, I'm fine. I'm not hungry.
You're fine, you're not hungry. Bro, no they starve yourself, oh. No use family problem kill yourself.
I said I'm fine, bro. Don't worry.
Alright. See you later.
Hey! No. Biko. Please. Forgive her. I am begging you, Susan, please. She's just but a child. Biko. You know go.
Hey. Mama, Chikamso insulted me. Hey. She embarrassed me. Me, her boss. Mama, no now. There is no how I'll accept her back. She can't come back to this show. Hey. I'm refunding the money.
Susan, please. I'm begging you as a friend. Please, can you listen to me? Don't mind Chikamso. Just leave her for me. I will handle her. She's just being a child. Please now, Biko. Oh?
Amaka, you don't get it, do you? This girl insulted me. Hey. She almost fought me. She reminded me that you're single, you don't have any date in your life, you're this, you're that. She said so many hurtful things to me, which I can never. There is nothing that will make me bring her back to my shop. It's not possible.
Ewo, Susu wa Biko no. Even though what she said is true, Mana Biko, forgive her. You know she's a child. She does not know her right from her left. Biko no. Biko. I'm just begging you as a mother. Oh, Biko no. Hey. Chikamso.
Susan, please. You know I came to you and begged you for her to mend this trade. I paid you and you accepted as a friend and old schoolmate. Please, don't mind her stupid mouth that she's running up and down. She's just being a child. You know, children, they always misbehave. Please, oh, Butu, Asa, Nebiko Ziano, Biko no, Butu Ziano.
I can only do this on one condition.
Hey.
Anything you say, though, we are going to do it.
We will write an agreement. She will sign and I will also sign. If she tries any misconduct, she's gone. Is that acceptable?
So what the wrong? I support. Thank you. Hey.
No more begging, Mama.
No problem.
If she misbehaves, I will sack her.
No problem.
No problem. Anything you say, we will do it.
Hey. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
To tell you true, I don't even tire. I don't tire for that work. And my spirit no dey there again. My spirit no dey there again. That's so it be.
But how can you come back to the house and start sleeping? Just because Madam asked you to go and change your outfit and you're still putting it on.
What you want make I?
It's unfair now.
My sister, na the same thing now. Wetin be unfair again? Not be the same thing.
How? How is it
What do you mean how? She say make I come back go change jersey wey I wear. As I come back home, I no get wetin to wear. E just be like where she tell me say come back home and sleep. My sister, the woman wey dey tell me make I go change jersey, she buy anything give me. Na wetin I wear now I wear come work. And she say make I come back home, e be like where she tell me say go home go sleep. And na wetin I do.
Come so. Eh? I'm just tired of you. Why are you doing this now?
Wetin be you're just tired of me? Why am I doing this? Wetin be all this one now? Wetin be you don tire for me? Why am I doing this? Wetin I do?
Okay, fine. You've done nothing. What is your next plan? Madam said that she don't want to see her in her shop again. You even insulted her. She came and started telling us. Why would you do that?
I know verse. So she tell una say na insult her.
You know insult her before?
Hey God. Say you tell person wetin e be, as in how e be. Na insult. She never marry. I tell her say you never marry. Na insult. I do bad thing, tell her advice and say make she find husband. Person never marry. You tell her say you never marry. Na insult.
Must you tell her that? Must you tell her that? Eh? You talk too much. That's one problem I have with you.
I know they like that one. I know they like because I will change them for you. Wetin happen? You may scatter your mouth. Wetin you come here come insult me. No, na insult you come insult me.
Kamso, I am not insulting you. I am just stating the fact. What you said to her was very wrong.
I don't know who sent you. Tell the person say I know the house.
You even insisted that she will give you the money your aunt paid for.
Before uncle. No, why she no go give me now? Guy, wetin dey talk? We pay for make I learn work. How many days I don learn the work? Every time when I come, she go say I wear jersey. I go back. Wetin I wear? How I take consign her? She give me uniform. No, she give me uniform. She get uniform, I no wear am. No be wetin person wear go come work. I wear am come see make I go back. And she no wan make I work for am again. She go give us her money. Yes, so you see that money we pay. The malt, the milk, the mineral. Well, I no even know wetin she dey carry milk do. See, may I tell you something. As they won't go beg am today, then beg am she no gree. You see that money, the malt, the milk, whether na malt and milk they hungry and she no go tell person. That mineral, everything she go bring am back. Everything, make she no bring am back.
I just pray she softens her mind to take you back.
Slap.
What is all this?
No, you want? I swear, if you do that thing again, do am again.
You want to beat me?
I go slap you now.
I came to check on you.
I beg you. I be they send you. Come make you insult me. They mad. Wetin I talk now way wrong. Every time I go just find wetin I go talk say Kamsi talk.
Kamso is me oh.
Who you be?
If you can say this to me, what will you say to Tina?
Who be that one? I dey talk think and thing. Who be Tin?
Hey.
Who be Tin? Am I talking about now? Animal place and thing. They mad. They follow me. I beg. If you no get better talk, just dey go.
So what's your next plan?
This one, the way they take ask me this question, go ask this one, I go answer. You go ask this one, I go answer. I be like say they send you.
Because I'm your friend.
But I go give you because those people send you and even you now if you do anything, I pass all of una.
Wait. Because if I did not join your sister to fight Chikamsu, that's why you want to break up with me?
Yes. Yes. Ifoma, you were there. You watched Chikamsu beat my sister. What did you do? You just sat there and watched them.
I was not there. I ran for my dear life.
You see? You ran. You left my sister to be beaten and broken. And you call yourself my girlfriend. Tomorrow now I'll marry you. Any small thing, you run. Abi?
Wait a minute. You that was beaten by the same person, were you not there with your two friends? Why didn't they team up to beat Chikamsu? Why is my own giving you pain?
Ifoma, you are wrong. The scenario is not the same. In our case, she took us on her way. But in your case, you both went to ambush her. You ambushed her, and when the fight broke out, what did you do? You ran. Leaving only my sister to be beaten mercilessly.
I ran and later came back. Was I not the one that called your father and the elders? Or I should stand and attack Chikamsu so that she can devour me and break my own waist?
Okay. Now, your waist shouldn't be broken, but that of my sister should be broken. Ify, this relationship is over.
Huh?
Yes.
Is that what you want to tell me?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
You see?
No problem. If you have ended our relationship, waka dey go. Make another person see road enter. Because if I did not join your sister to fight Chikamso, imagine the stupid reason. If you think you serve me breakfast, guy, this one no enter. Ah, you are still a baby boy. Let me go and look for a matured guy. See this one. Come on, come on.
Bia. Ifoma. Yay. What have I done? I thought she'd be crying and begging me not to break her heart. Yay. Aye, Chineke.
Mike.
What is this?
This is what I go through every day. This mess. She's not even at home and my house is like this.
What's that smell?
I'm sure it must be coming from the kitchen. Yes, if I take you there, it's a big mess, bro. This is what I go through every day. I come back from work, I'll have to clean the house, make food for myself, and then I'll fix the bed before I sleep on it. Crazy.
Man, this is serious. At this point, I need to tell you to get it made. And as quick as possible. Because you can't continue like this, Frank. I mean, look at your house. You can't continue like this.
If I take you to my room, you will vomit, I swear.
What?
Oh, yes. I'm sure she has some panties soaked in there. Bro, you know me. If not for the love I have for this girl, I will not take this. But then, it's fine. Let me just go in there and get something to fix this.
It's crazy.
Hello guys, hi Mike.
Hi, Nina.
Oh my God, what's this? Oh, it's so nasty. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so tired.
And where are you coming from?
From Mike's place. I went to see Bella. Any problem? I actually tried calling you, but your number was not going through.
Let me get something.
What about the money? I mean, are you going to send it now? Actually, need the money.
Mike, excuse me. I need to get something to fix this.
Oh, all right. All right.
Excuse me. Frank! Frank! Look, if you're tired of me, you let me know. I don't understand it. Why are you doing the cleaning in the house? Oh, because you saw your friend, you're acting like you're the one doing the job in the house. You're cleaning and washing. Look, Frank, I am not your wife. Okay? We're engaged to be married and not married. Go and get yourself a maid. What point were you trying to prove? Oh, that I don't do anything in the house?
I was only doing the right thing. The house is mine, but you're the boss of this house. So why don't you just sit and enjoy the dirty house?
Oh, please. The constant quarreling and fighting in this house, I've had enough. Are you cheating on me?
You know I don't have time for that nonsense. I was only telling you what to do, the right thing to do, which is to take care of the house.
It is your house. Why should I take care of your house for you? If you want someone to take care of your house, why don't you go get a maid or something? I don't understand. Mike, your friend, takes care of the house. He washes, cleans. Oh yes, he does everything to please Bella. He makes love to her. But what do I get from you? Nagging all the time. Let me tell you, if you're cheating on me, if I get that girl, I will murder her. You know me, you know what I can do. Frank! Frank, why are you walking out on me?
Chika, sir, have you gone through the papers?
Yes, ma.
And you're ready to sign?
Yes, ma.
You're wearing this same outfit that is causing problem. Chikamso, you can never change. What is your problem? Amaka, this is getting too much. Before you sign, you have to apologize.
Madam, I don't understand. My mama don't come apologize. My mama sister, my auntie, Amaka wey sit down here, don't apologize. Me self don't come apologize. On top that, we still carry another month for you. Not only God save us, you for even a request for milk. We still carry and come beg you. You still no want to accept. Like, you won't use and cook soup. Or no while I go apologize, I go sign her. But ma, I don't understand you. I don't understand. Now ordinary Jessie idea. I don't understand why you no go let me wear Jessie. Why now? This Jessie, it dey cause problem. If you like, I fit go buy color Ankara this color, swan, still dey wear am. So I say na blue, I no get problem.
Madam, sign that thing. Eh? See, don't try me. Oh. You know, we've discussed all these things at home. What is wrong with you? Come on, sign it.
Chikamso,
Madam,
do you want to work?
now make me still come here, still suffer buy more to come.
Wait, let me ask you. Must you wear Jessie? Are you a freak? Even the players said they don't put on Jessie clothes all the time. Eh? See, Chikamso, don't try me. Don't try me, oh. Eh? You better respect your old age now and sign that thing.
Wait till the top be say it go hard. It go hard. This is what I want make I do. It go hard. It go hard.
Okay. Obviously, you don't want to work.
I won't walk. It may not be like saying another thing. I won't walk.
No, you can go to Jessie.
My friend, sign it.
No, you don't need to disturb
No
her.
problem. You don't do no problem. I go sign them. But wait till the talk say it go hard. It go hard. Madam, it go hard though. Now wait till the talk. It go hard though.
If you go hard, no sign.
Madam, you no talk am one time. I don't sign already.
See, Amaka, I'm tired of her. Honestly, I'm tired.
If you like football, you want Chikamso got the talk. She's a crazy fan.
Just come.
Go! Chelsea up, Chelsea!
I think I saw you are a case.
And I need him. No, guy, you dey mad. Starting when? When you gonna bring out those ones? Why they call me case? And why you dey laugh? Wetin dey make this one laugh?
But you were watching football inside your dream now.
I use your eye watch am. You dey mad. Why they follow me talk? Follow this your friend talk. Oh.
Tina, what is your problem? Mind your business now. Here. Kamso, tell me about the dream.
If you see this goal, hey babe, the goal there, nobody believe say go enter. Hey. That's why it's bing, he enter.
Are you serious?
You know the thing where they sweet me for this dream? You know the people who play with for the dream are the same people where we get match with this evening.
Hey! Which means Chelsea will win.
They losing at 2 times.
Is that why you shouted goal inside the shop?
Follow me to see. If I beat you, your people.
What's the meaning of this?
It's nothing, ma.
You're playing game in my shop?
No, ma.
Sorry, ma.
Kamsi,
Ma.
take this money, go to the market. Buy me red and white thread. If you like, when you get to the market, continue shouting, "Up Chelsea!" Forget what I sent you to buy. Imani Wolodo. I said red and white thread.
I hear you, ma. But the way you take the talk, they sound like red oil. I hear you.
Will you go back to work? Tina, iron that clothes for me.
Okay.
Up, Chelsea, we move. All the blues.
day she be a killer, the day she be.
Chicken someone mama, a crazy fan, chicken someone mama.
Baby. Babe. Baby.
My love.
Oh my goodness. Hey, what's up?
Okay.
How are you? What are you doing?
I'm doing your laundry.
Doing my laundry. I don't get it. I thought I've told you to stop stressing yourself, babe.
Baby, stop. Stop it. I'm not stressing myself. Anything for you.
I got you something. I went out.
I like it.
Oh, come on, eat some more. Eat. I bought it for you.
Thank you.
Babe.
Let me take this one.
Okay.
I like him.
You do?
It's nice.
I had a talk with Frank. Honestly, I do not like how his complaints about Nina is eating down on him, and I do not like it.
Really?
Yeah. What you mean, really? Nina is your friend.
Baby, what do you want me to do? Nina is busy forming big ladies, Slay Queen, forming up and down. What do you expect me to do? She even told me that she don't like doing this for Frank. She don't like doing that for Frank. That Frank wants to subject her into a domestic wife. And I told her the same thing, that I don't like anyone subjecting me to a domestic wife or to a maid too. That was what I told her.
Why no? Why would you tell her that?
Baby, so we can be forming together. We can be on the same frequency. That was why I said that.
No, but she's your friend now. She's your friend.
Friend. Babe, I can't be friends with someone who practically wants me to behave like her. I don't know what women want. More especially, I don't know what Nina wants. So many ladies out there are craving to be in her position, but she has it. Yet she's behaving anyhow. When someone comes in from nowhere and start doing all these things for Frank, they will kick her out from that house. I don't know what to do again.
Babe, I truly believe that Nina came in with an intention. And she achieved it. She stopped doing everything she used to do for Frank. That's disgusting now. We're just beginning to see her true colors. You remember she came in and she was doing a lot of things, doing things for Frank, all of a sudden she ceased, she changed practically.
I have tried advising Nina. I know I've tried talking to her, but Nina don't want to change. She hates advice. She wouldn't even allow me to say anything. Babe, see, one day a woman will meet Frank. A good woman is going to meet Frank. And she will do all these things that Nina refused doing for Frank. Before you know it, they will kick her out. Boom, she will be back on the street. So that one shouldn't bother you at all, Nina.
But babe, she's your friend. You should have just advised her. Or still, put a word of advice to her.
My love, I have tried. Believe me, I have tried. But Nina is not the type of girl you can advise. Because she's a slay queen. So what do you want me to do?
By the way, this is getting cold. Eat.
I just like it.
You do, right? Eat some more. I got it for you. Enjoy yourself.
It's nice.
Really?
I like him.
Eat. You like it? You love it.
Bad boy, you babe.
So when you finish eating, then we can go and eat.
is a normal thing. It's an 8. Take it to cloud 9.
My would-be in-laws, I welcome you once again.
Thank you. Nze Njoku.
No, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Woman,
Ma.
help us get our daughter.
Yes, ma'am. I'm coming. No.
Don't worry, she will soon come back. Let her tata. Manchano.
I know you do. I know you have eyes. I know. Like mother, like daughter.
She's here.
That's very good. She can saw our daughter. You're welcome.
I agree to now.
You're
Now
welcome.
Now welcome.
Chicken, so welcome.
Thank you. You see these people here? They have come to ask for your hand in marriage.
Yes.
So we want to know if we should go ahead and have these drinks or not.
Patrick.
Yes, we've been talking on the phone for a while now.
Atoka. Yeah, we they talk for food. We they talk. The face and the voice, oh, my guy.
This mission is settled already.
Yes, so. Kai, my guy, you too fine, no. See fine, Bobo now. I don't care if I also come for you. When I dey tell you, sir, no be tomboy, sir, no wetin I dey do. You know, see on a kumkum, I don't connect. You're welcome, man. You're welcome, Uncle. Everywhere clear. Oh.
That's very good.
But one more thing, make I for confirm, make we no go do mistake. Based on say confirmation is important. Patrick, you be tell me, say you be Chelsea.
Hey.
Although we did the same frequency, you don't understand? AKA the sky is blue, AKA Chelsea for life, AKA AKA we are winning. Mama, come on now. Wetin happen? These things dey very important too. Now marriage be this, no be girlfriend and boyfriend. So to ask the question dey important. So how far now? We still be blues. The blues for life.
No.
Mama,
I stopped being chased. I have already migrated to Arsenal.
I don't hear you well, sir.
You say? I've migrated to Arsenal. No ball.
You do okay? Now I don't understand. You move from Chelsea, AKA we are winning, to Arsenal, AKA I don't understand myself. People wey never carry trophy before. You don't even see Barcelona. You don't even see some kind club enter. I don't even the best say you come out. My own be say you come out from Chelsea. Now Arsenal you migrate go. You know say you know they get yourself.
See, come to which one is the normal? Is that a criteria for this marriage?
Yes, it is. Very, very important, Uncle. Very important. This man not dey consistent now.
Excuse me.
You don't see the way they jump from Chelsea to Arsenal. He don't know what he want for in life. Ha! Now wow, I never see this kind of migration before. From Chelsea to Arsenal. You do alright? You know what happen? Man, just save everybody. I no get strength. He go be. Chikamso. I say he go be, I beg. He go be.
Come back.
What is that?
What's going on? Rico, my in-law. Please wait. I'm coming.
Please, just calm down.
Uncle.
No. Hold on. Calm down. She will come back. I don't know what is wrong. I don't understand.
Let's see they beg me
Just
for.
calm down, it's okay.
It's okay now who?
The deed has been done.
Who be it's okay? It's okay be who? I better know they follow me talk that thing.
You know I don't like seeing you like this.
This kind of nonsense be that.
Okay.
This rubbish must end.
Mama, what is this? Mama, wetin be this? Wetin dey do? Hey, give me my cloth. Mama, stop now. Wetin be all this one? Leave my Chelsea things now. Mama, give me a help me pass this one. Mama, give me my things.
I should give you
Wetin be this one? Wetin you want to? Wetin dey?
I will burn them.
But wait.
If I don't burn these things, then I am not your mother.
Burn which clothes?
So Muwa kine charanya disgrace.
Mama,
Muwa.
Now by force to marry. I say no dey marry Patrick. Now by force.
But why would you marry Patrick?
Which one be why would you? Why I go marry him? Hey, who be my friend? Patrick when leave Chelsea because say we get bad season. Enter Arsenal. migrate go Arsenal. Same be gunners for life.
Is that the reason?
Person wey no dey consistent for football, I go dey consistent for marriage. I no marry, I no be by force. No, you ask me that question, I no change am for you.
Only you have heard her.
Mama, give my
So
clothes.
because of football, you denied me my going to Obodo Ibo, Germany.
Mama, I no deny you anything. No. I no deny you anything. Give me my clothes now.
I will set
Wetin come be all this disgrace now?
I will set it on fire.
If you want set am on fire, just set me on fire.
I will set you on fire.
Set me on fire.
I will set you on fire. Leave this club.
Set me on fire.
I will set you on fire.
Bring this one first.
I will set you on fire.
I don't understand though. I don't understand. Wetin be all this one now?
I will set you on fire.
Wetin be all this one now? Never supposed to marry.
Mama,
Tell
you
am
want
wetin be all
yourself,
this
it's
now?
okay What is this? Why do you play with your life? Chika, so why do you make everything all about Chelsea? Are they paying you? Are you their brand ambassador? The owner of Chelsea, does he know you? Does he know that you exist? Why do you indulge yourself in frivolous things? Why? You beat up someone's child all because of Chelsea. You beat and injure people. You reject food. You were sacked in your working place all because of Chelsea. You reject potential suitors that will even make our life better all because of Chelsea. I want to ask you, Kamso, do you want us to die? Do you want me and your mother to die for you? What do you want?
I don't know who won't die. I no send anybody to die. Normally, when you don't finish all these things where they talk, wetin make me call you come here. Now make you help me talk to your sister. Make she give me my key. She be one born this things why I carry. Now make me hold her like this. Now she don't go lock my room. Carry key. Say wetin happen now? Abeg, let me tell am o. Let me tell am o. I know make it be like say person dey get problem with him mama. Let me talk to your sister. Make you give me my room key.
Amaka, I will not give her that key. Chikamso, I will not give you that key until you denounce Chelsea in this house. Let me see if you're drinking something. Let me know. 9 months so. Chiagi.
I denounce Chelsea.
You must denounce Chelsea.
Hey, Mama, you get some talk where you go talk like this. It go be like say you know dey. Mama, instead I go denounce Chelsea, I go disown you. I already disown you, instead of make I denounce Chelsea. I tell you, say everything about me na Chelsea. The blood wey dey my vein na Chelsea. It is blue. My brain, that milk, muko wey dey inside am, na blue. Everything blue, my body na blue. Mama, you think say they call me Queen of Chelsea for nothing? Now me be Queen of Chelsea, aka Stamford Bridge, aka The Sky is Blue, aka Chelsea for Life, aka Blue Girls, aka Blue for Life, aka Winners for Life. You think all those aka na name wey I just go collect? Na by merit o. Mama, that one no go happen o. Maybe na he denounce again now. Na it go happen. Abeg, aunty. Abeg, all this also dey talk, you don too much. Plenty talk no dey dey for early morning sermon. Wetin make me call you here? Now make you help me tell my mama, make give me my key. Make give me my key. Make you give me my key.
It will not happen. It won't happen.
What kind of thing is this? Kamso, when did you become so fanatic about football club? When?
Come on, you too talk. Auntie Percy carry you come here, make you collect key. You dey here, they preach sermon. Na church we dey. Anyway, when you don talk finish, I trust you on a normal level. You go still collect that key from your sister. Make I go find something put for belle. Make sure say you collect the key, sha. You go be. I keep this one inside, find food chop.
Look at her. Look at her. Look at someone that men are dying to marry. And she is dying for Chelsea. Amaka, look at me. What did I do to deserve this? What did I do to deserve this?
Sister, it's okay.
Hi! Chibunna, here again, Mel. Chibunna, this is what you cost me.
Sister, it's okay now. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Just give me the key. And we talk to her.
Since when I came to my house today, you did not call me.
Sister, please, don't be annoyed.
My wife, we are coming, okay? We're going to watch football.
I told you that my father is coming today to see us.
Yes, you did.
And you're leaving the house.
Before you know it, I'll be back, okay? Chelsea's playing match today, so we have to go.
I cooked for you, your favorite. And the television is on, and they're going to show it. Yeah, so why won't you watch it in your house?
Don't worry. Before you know it, I'm back. I cannot watch football match alone. It's boring. Before your father returns, I'll be here, okay?
Oh, you can watch it in your own house and feel comfortable.
Don't worry, I'll be back before you know it, okay? Chico, so let's go.
Chicas, where are you going to?
I'm coming.
Sister, you should know by now that your husband is a football lover and you must get used to it.
Honestly, I am not. I am not. Every single time, Chelsea, Blues, Chelsea, Blues. I made his favorite. I even recharged the decoder for him. Hey, I'm tired.
Men loves a place where they will go and argue about football. Of course, he can't sit down here with you and watch it. I mean, you don't even know the name of his club.
Is it not Chelsea drink?
yeah. Chelsea drink. No, sister, it's not. It's not Chelsea drink.
Then it should be Chelsea and dry gin.
No, please, it's not. It's not Chelsea.
I beg. Please. Go inside, I beg.
Just please,
Chelsea,
take it easy on
Blues.
yourself, please.
Every single time of the day. Chelsea, Blues, Chelsea, Blues.
Yes. Just take it easy on yourself. Take it easy on yourself.
If you like football, you want chicken, so go the talk. She's a crazy fan. Chicken, so mama. If you like football, you want chicken, so go be best friend. If you be Chelsea fan, you want chicken, so go be best friend.
Where are you guys coming from?
You knew before now that we were going to watch football match. So why are you asking us?
Chelsea.
Daddy,
Yes, my lovely daughter.
we have been watching Chelsea in View Center. When will I see them, Leo?
My lovely daughter, it is very possible. Only if you believe, if you're dedicated, if you focus, do not let anybody discourage you. One day, you'll be in Stafford Bridge to watch a football club play their match live.
But you told me it's not in this Nigeria. The place is very, very far. You will enter plane and go there.
Yes, it's very far. You would have to enter aircraft to get to London to watch the match live.
So we will take me there.
Let's say your husband, or you would have to use your hard-earned money to go there.
Okay, Daddy. My husband will carry me to the Stamford Bridge for what?
I love the spirit. Up Chelsea! For life! Up Chelsea! For life!
This one people are talking about will go to London. Who is going to the London?
Oh, as if not my lovely daughter.
I've told you several times, don't you want my daughter to die your Chelsea club. Oh.
She's Chelsea already. Strong fan. Blue for life. She's queen of Chelsea.
Yes, Mama. I'm a queen. Queen of blues.
Dad, will you go and read your book? I'm a queen.
I love you, okay? Keep doing this. Don't give up. Don't give up. Daddy is with you. Say Daddy is with me.
That is me.
Beautiful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. Wherever I am now, it is by your grace. Many are dying, oh. Many are weeping, oh. Whatever I am now. Onyekwa. What is it? What is it? What happened?
The husband has been stabbed though.
Eh?
They stabbed the husband at the view center. Yes!
Hey,
Follow me,
Jesus!
come.
My husband!
That was how my husband died. He was stabbed at a football watch center. He left his work and went to watch football. And during an argument, he was stabbed. Now that same madness, that same football madness Chelsea, it will not be better for you. You see this, she must denounce it. She must denounce Chelsea. Else, I will not give her that cue. Jesus, what is going on? God, please. Bless me with a good man. I need a man to call my own. I need a man that will love me for who I am, not what I am. God, please. Time is going. I'm not getting any younger. Look at my girl. My apprentice. The way she talks to me, the way she rubbish my name. Jesus. For how long? How long will this continue? Fred is just using me. He's just using me. He's not even serious with me. God, what will I do? Send me a good man, please. I beg of you. I need a man that will love and cherish me. A man that will stand by me. Please. Jesus, please. God, I pray in Jesus' name, amen. Amen.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
You called me. You said I should meet you up here. I hope everything is fine.
Sure. Everything is fine.
So, what's up?
Fred.
Yeah.
I think I'm done with this relationship.
What?
Apart from Chikanzo, who else have you slept with?
Babe, wait. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
You go behind my back, worrying and disturbing my girls. How could you?
Babe, calm down.
What do you mean by calm down?
All right, calm down.
Please.
It's not what you think.
It's not what I think. Oh, jeez. How could I? How come I didn't see this coming? You're cheating local bastard like you. You know what? I'm done.
Hey, sit down here! Sit down! Is it because I'm managing you?
Hey, bro.
Managing who?
Hey. How do you hit a woman
Managing
like that?
who? You
What's your problem, bro?
Right.
Shut up, get out.
Hey, stop.
Why would you hit a woman like that?
No. What the heck? Stop.
What's your freaking problem,
you need to
bro?
go back now. What the heck are you?
What kind of question? Are you asking me who I am?
Get out of there!
Huh? Look at this guy. Wait, hey,
Now
bro,
listen.
chill, man.
Calm down.
Bro, touch that
I don't
woman
have
one
time.
more time. I
You
swear
can
to God, I'll
think
put you
whatever
down.
you Alright? You understand?
I didn't think I
Touch her
fucking have
one
your
more
time.
time. I swear to
I
God,
don't fucking have your time. After everything I have done for
for you. Watch your back.
You touch her one more time, I swear to God, I put you down.
I swear to God, I put this guy down.
Frank, stop.
I put this guy down.
Stop it. And as for you, hey, you watch it. F you. Do you understand me? Yes. Let him go, bro.
Lucky.
He's obviously looking for someone to kill him.
Man, back in school days, I killed this
Oh,
boy.
come on. 2 seconds now.
She's now a different person. She is not more the same. She have changed. Pretender. You are no more the same. You have changed. Oh, you have changed. She have changed. She have changed. Oh, change goes. Oh, change goes. You made me to love you. You showed me love before. And I know you will break my heart. And I know you are someone else. And I know you are like this, yo. And I need the way, you change it, go. You change it, go.
Oh my goodness. What's going on here? How can a woman be in a house and her kitchen is messed up like this? Huh. Nina. May God help us.
You can't eat your girl and have it again.
Why? Told us.
Baby. Babe.
Yeah, my love. My love.
How are you?
Okay.
Sit. Let's see this film together. Come on.
No, babe. I'm trying to tidy up the kitchen and wash those plates.
What do you mean you're trying to tidy up kitchen and wash those plates alone? Oh, come on. Let's see this movie, then we'll do that later.
No. Let me just do that.
Fine. If you insist, then I'm coming to do the dishes too with you.
No way, babe. Stop.
What?
Why would you do that?
Because I'm your husband. And we're in partnership. Not like I hired a maid.
Men don't do that, please. Stop.
Men don't do what? Men don't do what? Do dishes?
Uh-huh.
Me? Mike will do this dish. Let's go, please. I'll pause the movie and then we'll continue later when we're done with the dishes. Come on, baby. Let's go.
She's no way different, the same. She is no more the same. She has changed. Pretender. You are no more the same. You have changed. You have changed. She have changed. You showed me love before, and I know you will break my heart, and I know you are someone else, and I know you are like this, yo. I know the way you change it all, you change it all. You are no more the same person I used to know. You have changed. She is no more the same. She have changed. Pretender. You are no more the same. You have changed. You have changed. She have changed. She have changed.
Oh my God, I'm so tired. Seriously? Don't tell me you made noodles for yourself and you didn't make mine.
There's still some in the kitchen. You can go have it.
I was just wondering. Hello, sugar. How are you? How's your day? Babes, there is this very fine dress I saw. So cute. I'm going to wear it for the party. Let me show you. I need to see it. Look. Look. Look.
It's fine.
You haven't even seen it. Look.
That's nice.
Oh, thank you. I said it. You know, I told Bella you're going to like it and that you will like this particular dress on me. Will you get it for me?
I'll get it.
Wow, really? Okay. Thank you very, very much. Now I'm going to have 2 dresses to go for the show. Wow. It's just having this. It looks really good. Really nice.
Thank you.
You know you make the best noodles, right?
Thank you.
Hold on. Come on. Are you okay? Are we quarreling or fighting?
I'm fine.
And let me...
Yours is in the kitchen. Go take it. Did you wash those clothes you soaked in the bathroom?
No. Babes, I was so tired today. so exhausted. You know I went to the mechanic to fix my car. I told you.
Yeah, you did.
Are you okay? Like, are we quarreling? Are you angry? Oh.
No, we're not.
And let me just have it.
I told you yours is in the kitchen. Go take it.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Brother, what is the problem? Eh? What is your problem?
Ada, you have scattered my relationship. Why would you ask me to break up with my girlfriend, Ifeoma? Simply because she did not join you to fight council. Why? I'm angry.
So what are you going to do now?
I want her back. Eh? I want her back. She's not taking my calls. She's not talking to me. Nothing at all. Eh? In fact, I'm angry. I'm depressed.
Ha! Brother, are you not ashamed of yourself? How did you even allow a woman, not even a woman, a girl to beat you up like that? I know you are sick, oh, yes, I know. But how did you allow that to happen? Eh? Even when I went to fight the girl with Ifeoma left me and ran away.
Ada, are you not ashamed of yourself too? Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself? A fellow girl like you beat you up, mess up your waist, and here you are talking rubbish. Eh? That is not my business, so. What I want is my girlfriend. Just go and do anything. Me, I can't handle this heartbreak. You people know I'm not well. I'm sick.
Brother, I cannot talk to Ifeoma. I cannot. See, I will tell Papa, that girl will leave you. She will leave if you bring her back, she will leave you. I'm telling you the truth.
See, the one you are talking is your own business, not my own. Do you understand me? That's your own business, Ada. All I want is my girlfriend. Are you people trying to take advantage of me because I'm sick? Eh, Ada? The only thing that gives me strength and makes me happy, you said I should leave. Please, oh. Please, oh. I've told you my own, Ada.
Brother, that girl is not good for you. She's not good for you, I mean it. She's not. Let us go.
Ada, please go. Leave me.
Brother, let's go now.
Ada, are you my girlfriend? Eh? Just go.
Why? Why now? Why?
Babe, I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh no, Bella.
One of my friends wants me to follow her to Dubai next week. I'm sorry.
You had to disappoint her. I mean, we've been planning this party for a long time. You can't just come and say that, oh no now, babes. You will miss.
I know. I know I will miss.
You know and you want to miss, eh?
I cannot disappoint my friend.
You have to disappoint her.
She pleaded with me so much. I can't. In as much as I still want to come for the party, but I can't just disappoint her like this, please.
You just have to disappoint her, okay? This party will be fun and you can't miss it.
I know. So, is Frank in support?
Frank doesn't have a choice, okay? Oh yeah. I mean, he already gave me money for the gown, so I assume he's in support. Oh, wow. Frank is not my problem. You are my problem, Bella. Changing plans at this damn minute is my problem.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for disappointing you. I can't really make it. I won't follow you for this party, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Bro, I mean, I told I told my babe that she can't attend that party. I mean, it's crazy now. It's weird. That's a wild party. I don't know why you're letting Nina go for it.
For peace to reign.
For peace to reign. Bro, do you understand that this wild party consists of irresponsible guys that will eventually mess up these ladies? We're not even there to protect them.
What do you suggest I do? No, you tell me. She said she wants to go for this party. As a matter of fact, she's one of the organizers. This is a party she's been dreaming of for a very long time. Listen, man, I don't want anything to stress me right now. Besides, I've got a lot of work to do. Huh? Please.
Are you sure you're still in love with Nina or you've fallen out of love with her?
I'm fighting so hard. I'm fighting so hard to get back on track with her. She just did not realize that this whole thing is going south.
Or perhaps you had some certain expectations on her and she didn't beat it. Perhaps you had some expectations on her and she falls short of the expectations and you become angry. Or maybe you're still in love with her. You're very much in love with her and you need the relationship, but you're just angry, isn't it? Yes, you're angry because she changed.
What do you advise I do? I mean, what do you think I should do? Do you think I should get a maid? Maybe this maid will keep my house clean and I'll stop getting angry.
I mean, Frank, I've told you this before. Time with a number, I've told you, get yourself a maid and rest. You're working yourself up too much.
Make yourself comfortable.
Hi. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Are you not the one I saw at the eatery the other day?
I'm the one, sir.
Oh, well, you're welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Please make yourself comfortable, huh?
Thank you so much.
You know her?
Oh, yes, I met her at the eatery the other day, yeah? Yeah.
Oh, I see. You're here for the measurement?
Sure.
Oh, great. Honey, please, can you help me get the material from the bedroom? Please.
All right.
We're using it for the sewing. Yes. Where do you know my man? Just so you know, we're engaged to be married, okay? No space, no vacancies, and I don't share. That's by the way. You're here for the measurement, right? Okay, you know Amaka recommended you and she rated you really high. So I wouldn't want you to disappoint her. I don't want floppy jobs, no excuses. Right? Let's get on.
Can we take the measurement now, ma'am?
Sure. All right. Darling, please hurry up. Frank?
Please, can I see the picture of what you want?
Yeah, I want it really short and sexy. That's the kind of gown I want.
Do you have any picture? Sorry, I can see.
I'll send it to you. Just take the measurement. But I want it short, so yeah, just somewhere here.
But babe, you don't really need to go to that party. I mean, this is the time that you and your guy have to sort your issues.
What issues? I don't understand. What issues are you talking about?
Okay. Frank has been complaining about your sudden change of behavior. I mean, what is going on? This is not really you.
So we're supposed to sit down and talk about my behavior. Is that it? No, make me understand.
Babe, see, Frank is really sick and tired of all this. We all pray for this. You and I, we pray for all this to happen, but now you're the one damaging your relationship. Wait, I didn't mean to intrude. But you were trying to tell me it is fine for my friend to be a slave in this house. For her to do all the work in this house. For what? For what exactly?
Ask me. No, just listen to what she's saying.
You know, I don't have anything to tell you, but I will tell you this. You're the one spoiling my friend. Please just stay away from her because you're a bad news to her. I beg your pardon. You don't have to beg. Seriously, I'm not done talking, so you better close your mouth.
Okay. Enough, please. Guys, it's okay.
You are mad. You were very stupid. Who is this one? Who is this disjointed mandible? Did you know me from anywhere? Have we met before? So you're trying to tell me it is fine for my friend to be subjected as a domestic tool in this place? For what exactly? For her to do all that? For what? For what?
Ask me. Deputy Jesus. I told you. Amaka, I'm just respecting you because we're old schoolmates, okay? You don't walk into my house and talk to my friend any way you want. If you try it again, I'll walk you out.
You don't have to. I asked. Because I'm taking a walk already. But I want to tell you this. If you continue like this, you will not like the condition you find yourself. Both of you should suit yourself. You better stay away. She's a bad news. My friend, get out. Get out. Who is this one?
As well, she my mother.
What right does she have to judge your attitude or anything? Who is this?
Even interfere.
A Genzy fan, chicken someone mama. A crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If your dog could not be Genzy dog, she's a crazy chicken someone mama. If you like football, you and chicken so go be best friend. If you like football, you and chicken so go the dog. She's
Oni, I dey come and go pee. My friend where I fit pee, I dey come.
Make you go pee. You are not going anywhere. Did you hear me? You are not going anywhere. And besides, Madam told you not to wear this Chelsea jersey to shop anymore.
Hey, mosquito don't they talk? Madam, na me they talk to.
Yes, Chikamso, I'm talking to you. See, you're becoming too stubborn in this shop. Do you know I'm your senior apprentice? Enough.
Enough, Tina. What is all this?
Na me they talk to. No, na me. You want that? You dey break. Come on from my front. They tell me this thing. They mad. One man beat you na two join. They crazy. They tell me senior. You want to beat me too?
You're insulting me, oh.
I dey insult you.
Your papa senior. I go beat you enter ground without your senior. They mad.
You will not do anything.
You're still talking? Tina, you are still talking.
Mind your business. What is all this?
Hey, please, don't talk to me. Don't even dare. Don't even dare to talk to me. You and I know that Chikamso is not going to ease herself.
Speak for yourself.
Yes,
I don't know.
She's not going to ease herself. And see, if you leave this shop, I will tell Madam. Try me and see. If you leave, I'll call Madam on the phone and tell her. Yes.
You say, oh, auntie, please.
Don't touch me again, oh. Don't touch me again, oh.
I go slap you. Come off from my front. No, they block me. You mad. They beg me for this one. If I want beat, I go beat them. If you put your body, I go beat you, Joy. Stay one place, my friend. Madam, better. If you don't tell Madam, your pants go tear. If you don't tell Madam, you go die. Tell Madam. Tell madam make I catch you for road until you go die. I go beat you, I go kill you.
Try me.
Maybe they try. It's alright. They try me.
Chikam, it's okay. Please.
Hey, don't touch me.
It's okay.
Don't touch me.
It's okay. Go on. Go and ease yourself.
I go.
Chikam, it's okay. Please, you won't die. It's okay.
You na slap I will give you.
No problem. I will tell madam. I will tell. You are doing as if you don't know where she's going. You are doing as if you don't know where she's going.
Tina, I don't know.
No problem.
Don't involve me. I don't know.
Okay.
Speak for yourself.
Okay.
The day Chikamso will beat you.
Shut up.
Hey.
She's not going to do anything.
The day she will beat you.
She will not do anything.
I will not be there to save you.
Nonsense.
Oh, it's me now I want to beat Abby. She was there. She was challenging you.
Don't come close to me, oh. Don't come close.
Anything,
I will beat you.
It's me you will beat.
I'll beat you.
It's me you will beat.
Hey.
It's me you will beat because I'm supporting the truth.
You are not supporting the truth.
Leave her alone.
You are supporting Chikamso.
Leave Chikamso alone. She has done nothing to you.
No problem.
Leave her alone.
You're
challenging her too much in this shop.
No problem.
You're
Let
challenging
madam
her too much
come back.
In this shop. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. The day she will beat you.
Ify, please, I want us back, please.
I don't want us back. Say what you want to say. Let me go, please.
Hey. See, Ify, I'm very sorry. Oh, very, very sorry. It was my sister Ada that asked me to break up with you. It wasn't my mind. Oh?
And you listen to your sister. Can you hear yourself? Can you just listen to yourself, Izuna?
See, Ify, please, I've listened to myself. I know it doesn't sound right. That's why I'm pleading with you to please come back. And as from today, I won't listen to anyone again. Not even Ada. No one. Please just come back, oh? Please.
Israel, the truth is I have moved on.
Hi.
How can a woman beat you blue-black and also beat your sister? That's to say I'm not even safe. Imagine your fellow man will beat you up. He will also beat me. Please, I'm done with all this dating a baby boy.
Hi.
I don't want to do it again.
Fama, it's me, it's Izuna. Am I now a baby boy today? You know my situation. You know. Please, you know my game just cut today now. Don't cut my heart again, please. Please.
Israel, I am done with this relationship. Go and be listening to your sister.
Please, now.
Get your hands off me.
A Genzy fan, chicken someone mama. A crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If your dog could not be Genzy dog, chicken someone mama. If you like football, you and chicken someone be best friend. If you like football,
what's happening?
Sorry to bother you. Up blues! Up blues! Chelsea!
Correct guy.
How you doing now? Well done, man.
Correct job. The one that will be that way they do.
I know. You don't see her. You don't see her.
Now because of this one, I make me stop.
Okay.
As I sight the blue, I just say this one na sabi man.
Na sabi man.
Na sabi guy. You know what's up.
Please, I've gone around this area looking for a tailor, a very good tailor. Yes, I want the tailor to help me sew some clothes for my mother. Her birthday is coming very soon, so I want her to look good. Do you know any good tailor around?
They want, you know, ask around. And they work for the woman wey be say, if not be say na location based on placement where she dey, na she for sew Queen Elizabeth burial clothes. The woman dey sew. If it's so for you, you go mad.
No, I don't. No, seriously, I don't want my mom to run mad. I just need a good tailor. That's all.
No wahala na, no wahala. You know woman wey be say, I carry money, carry malt, carry milk, carry mineral, take go give am before I begin learn work. That's to tell you say she sabi wetin she dey.
You serious with that? You serious?
But na she dey sew the sew.
Okay, and she stays around here.
Na work I dey go like this.
Okay, please.
As I dey waka like this, na work I dey.
Could you please enter the car so that you take me to your madam's?
He say.
Just since you're going there, could you please take me to her?
Ah, guy. So for your mind now, a guy fit guy you.
I don't understand.
Now the tactics wey you carry come now they imagine na. Unto say you don't do your research, they can't tell you say I dey like Chelsea, Chelsea. Next thing you can't give me the line say your mama wants so cloth, birthday cloth. How old your mama the way they do birthday? Eh?
No, that's not it. That's not it.
It's what it.
It is
It's
not
what?
it.
It
Please,
is
no,
it is not it.
No, I'm serious.
You want kidnap me, Oga? Calm down.
No.
You rub am for mouth. No, you cut your tongue, put am inside. Now me you want kidnap. Look me well. Chikam, so you don't ask question. They mad. They whine Jesus.
No.
They whine
I'm
Jesus.
serious. I'm not a kidnapper. Do I look like one?
They dey write am for face. Guy, they dey write am for face. Wetin you feel? How you want to prove now say you no be kidnapper? Because everything wey you for talk now,
Okay.
it too enter.
Okay. You know what will happen?
Wetin happen?
I believe that I started on the wrong note with you. My name is Ken. What's your name?
So for your mind now, you wan pretend say you don't know my name.
If I knew, I wouldn't have asked. Yes.
Anyway, based on say me, I dey like introduce myself. I dey like make people know me well. In case you no get the information well, my name na Chikamso, aka Chelsea Queen, aka Stanford Bridge, aka the sky is blue, aka blue in the blood, aka baby blue.
Your aka Lord.
You know what's up. My guy.
Your aka Lord.
My guy.
You know, really, I love ladies that support football. They are special, very special.
Now wait till they try make people know. They don't understand. They be like saying a problem.
It is
Why
not.
I like you, your
Yes.
mouth sweet. I be like say you get say, you know what happen? Whether I be kidnapper or you no be kidnapper, I just reason you.
Okay.
I like your spirit. You dey connect. So whether you be kidnapper or you no be kidnapper, I no concern me. They no fit kidnap me because before you go comot for this village, dem go catch you. Based on say I dey popular. You hear me?
I no
No
go even
wahala,
kidnap
no
you,
one.
sef.
I carry you go there. Na so, my guy, you for life. They no know. Now your car be this. Guy, you don't marry. No, not like this.
She not get tired. Argument in her own. She's a crazy fan. She comes so late. Like football. You and she can so be best friend. Play like this. Make you so call the goal. For she's a crazy fan. She comes so mama. She comes so late.
Wow, this your car, bam.
Yes, sir.
You gotta enter. See how the AC just is chill.
Yes,
like mortuary. Wow.
That's what they can be.
That's what Chelsea can people dey be.
That's what they be.
That's what Chelsea people can dey be.
They be like that now.
Wow.
No worry, very soon you go get your own.
I take no wetin dey man. Very soon my own will come.
You will get your own very soon.
So,
I hope say your madam go fit do this work.
Oga, Sima tell you, my madam soon finish. If you never marry, you go marry am. I know they cap you. This one will be capping. Na normal level. Woman too good.
Seriously.
I know they lie.
Are
The only
you funny,
problem, not be funny matter. Me, I dey always talk things as they be. The only problem wey the woman get be say she too dey pepper body, but that na normal level. Na just say if she never see man.
Okay.
Just dey go straight to see how I do.
Okay, no wahala. It is well. When we see how she will be now, let's see how it goes.
It goes well. It goes well.
Chikamso.
My person. That's just the click like say we don't know each other since.
I'm serious.
Correct guy.
I don't know say you dey this area. Surprisingly, that the first hour I dey see you with this.
Na one for you. Na my area be na village. Na you I go dey ask where you from cap out.
I'm from here now.
You sure?
I'm from here come now.
No black like our people. Black like our people. You're black like the people. They just dey go straight this way.
Okay.
Alright, sir. Like I said, it will be ready by weekend.
I tell you now. Say my madam na correct. No be all those Amaka disappointment dey there. If she tell you say na like this something be, na like this it be, and e go so am well.
Okay.
You dey safe hands. I don do my part. Make I go.
Up Chelsea.
Up Blues. Blues for life.
Chelsea for life.
Chikamso, go and finish everything.
Okay, ma. That's red oil. Sorry, red and white thread wey you say make I buy. Mercy buy am.
That is what you use now.
And I go be. Normally.
No distance.
No problem. Bye bye.
All right, take care. She's very funny.
Very funny.
I really like her.
You like her?
I do.
I dash you.
It's okay. So I've made payment for everything, yeah? I would really want you to do an excellent work for me.
You don't have a problem, sir. Always count on us.
It's all right, but you can just call me Mr. Ken. There's no need for the sir.
Okay, Mr. Ken. Count on us.
Okay, okay. And if you can do this, if you can deliver this work very well, I assure you that you are going to have a lot on your hands, because I have 5 sisters, surprisingly, and I am the only son of my parents. And 2 of my sisters are getting wedded by the end of the month. Ooh. And that means that if you can do this very well, I'm going to hand the 2 weddings to you, and you are going to have a lot of work to do.
That's massive.
That's massive.
Very interesting.
Yes, it is.
I will not disappoint you.
I believe.
Mr. Ken.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay. Nice doing business with you.
Nice doing business with you too. You do take care of yourself. I will be on my way out now.
Thank you very much.
All right. See you by the weekend.
Tina.
What is it?
Please, let Chikamso go and see the match. Since our madam is not around.
What did you say?
Since
Match?
our madam is not around, let her just go.
Hey. Never. Never. No way. She's not going anywhere. She will not try it.
But she's not doing anything here.
See, she's know what she signed for. She will not go anywhere. Ha.
Tina, why are you like this?
See, me, I have somewhere I want to go to. Yes, I want to go and see someone, but I can't leave. It is the rule here, okay? So nobody is going anywhere.
Tina, you're the one talking about rules. Oh, you now know that we have rules.
Of course.
When I was defending you, when I was lying to our madam that you're not feeling fine just for you to go and see your boyfriend for days, you don't know we have rules. Now, just for her to go and see the match for like two hours, you refused. No now. No now, it's not good. It's unfair. Why are you being so mean to her now? What is it?
If she leaves this place, I will tell madam.
Tina!
What?
Why are you like this?
Hey,
why do you hate Chikamso so much like this?
Hey, is that what you are saying?
Yes.
Okay.
It's becoming obvious.
No problem.
Onyi, I wan go watch ball. I wan go see my club game wey dem wan play today. Yeah? No dey stress yourself. No worry. No worry yourself. You see that parrot wey dey this shop?
Kamso.
If dem born you well, tell madam. If you still tell madam say me, Chikamso, say nothing go happen. Dey hear me? You dey hear me?
Hey. Kamso, I'll tell madam. I'll tell madam.
You dare not.
Okay. Come
Do you hear me?
No problem.
You dare not. Okay. Why are you this mean?
Bet me.
What is your problem?
Bet me now. Bet me. You know me too well. Bet me.
I don't know you too well.
No problem.
I only know that you're a wicked person. What is wrong with you?
No
What
problem.
has Chikamso done to you? What has she done to you? It's getting too much, I beg.
I don't want to talk too much, madam.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. This wickedness is becoming obvious. Kienwa Meg.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I like. It's all right. We can actually do this again. Yeah? All right. Take care. Bye. Look who we have here. Bella, how are you?
I'm fine, Frank.
Darling, what's up?
Who are you talking with on the phone and what do you plan?
Michael, yes. I was actually talking to a client. We had lunch together and talked business all through.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, darling.
A client, and you had lunch with this client. Wait, this client's a girl, a she, isn't it?
I don't have time for this. Please excuse me.
Nina, go after him. I don't think he's saying the truth.
Please, I'll see you some other time.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yes, what is it?
Frank, you are cheating on me. For real. You're seeing another woman.
And who says I'm cheating on you?
Who was the person you were speaking with on the phone? Hold on. It's a she, right?
A client, for God's sake.
Oh, it's a pathetic lie and you know it. What stupid client will have lunch with you and then call you when you get home? You better start talking. Who is it?
Nina, I don't have time for this. Alright? I don't. So excuse me, please.
She's now a different person. She is not more the same. She have changed. Pretender.
Honestly, I like him. He's cute. I think I'll save his number. That's what I would do.
Hello? Babe? Yeah. I'm heading back to the shop. Is everything okay? Alright. You are there now? At the eatery? Okay. I'll be with you in a jiffy. Yeah, I'm coming. It's fine, I'm coming on my way. Alright.
Girl. He's cheating on you already. He cannot deny that. See, girl, you need to yell at him. Don't be doing that one you are doing, no. You'll be there, another woman will take over your man's house. Another woman will take over your man. Babe, you know the way I treat Mike. You know the way I handle him. Mike would not dare to do something like that. He can never look outside. If he tries it, he's good as dead. I swear. Threaten him. You know Frank is a very soft guy. Mounting pressure. Pressure him. Don't be doing that one on another woman. Chase you out from your man's house. What nonsense. Oh, babe, let me talk to you later, okay? Hey, babe.
Hey, babe, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Oh, God.
You didn't get the tin again?
Yes, I did. I got it. I left it in the car.
Oh, okay.
I overheard your conversations from outside. What's going on? You sound rather too stressed.
And babe, I was talking to my younger sister. I was advising her to take her studies so serious, very, very serious, and pay less attention to friends.
You're very right. You're very correct, elder sister. You know, right? You're very correct. I mean, you know education is very important.
Yeah, sure.
Good advice there.
So, babe, let me get your dinner. Or do you want to shower before your dinner?
No, babe, no. I feel so tired right now. I prefer go shower first, then I'll come down and take dinner later.
It's fine.
Alright?
Yeah.
Babe, some concern I think we should discuss. Your friend, Nina, why is she so adamant about going to that party? I mean, it's not like it's something special. It's a miserable party. It's just a party. But I wonder why she's not backing down, even when my friend Frank has asked her to stop.
Babe, that one. My love, you won't even believe what that girl did. She went and sold new clothes for that party. Can you imagine?
What?
I've tried talking to this girl. I've talked and talked, but she hates change. She cannot change.
Because it beats my imagination why a man of the house, the person you considered your man, will ask you not to do something and you're still bent on doing it. It's crazy now. What's special about the party?
I think she wants to use the opportunity and link up with her ex-boyfriend.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Hey, I wonder now.
It's making sense now, right?
It makes a lot of sense. Well, it's not my business anyway.
It's none of our business.
It's not our business.
But I pity Frank. He's going through a lot. She should just be careful, though. Because me, I don't know what to say again. My love, let me go to the kitchen and fix your dinner, okay?
It's okay. Alright. I'll go take my shower. I'll be right out.
Okay, it's fine.
Hi. Amaka, I don't get it. What's the meaning of this? Your friend said I'm seeing her man. How?
See, Susan, that is not what I'm saying. She called me to warn you that she don't know what connects you and her man, that you should keep off. She was sounding so very angry.
Gosh. I don't get this. Really? You remember, did I told you that I ended things with my man?
Yes, yes I did.
That's the guy.
Are you sure? Are you, like, seriously?
I'm telling you the honest truth. The guy that was in the scene of the whole drama.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you the truth.
Like, seriously, what is wrong with Nina? What is wrong with her?
He was the one that actually saved me. He rescued me. And that was it, nothing more.
I don't even know what to say. I'm so sorry. Please don't mind her. She's just being naughty. I don't know. She's just being paranoid.
I didn't even know he's a man. Gosh. Amaka, you know what? You know she brought some materials for me to make for her. I want you to tell her that I'm not sewing it again. Don't stop me. There are so many tailors around. She can give them the material to do for them.
Don't be like this.
They can sew. I must not be the one to sew the material for her. I'm not doing it. Okay? See, I can't take this rubbish. I'm too big for this. Wait. Is that why she almost embarrassed me in her house?
Calm down.
Oh. Tell her I'm not sewing. She should look for someone else.
Calm down. Susan, wait now. What is it?
Calm down. Deliver my message.
So please, Tina, I am begging you, alright? I want you to talk to her for me. I really want to date her in this village. Eh?
Eze, can you just stop? Hey, please stop.
What is it?
Eze, you've been coming to our shop. We've been talking and laughing. You're even buying me gifts and giving me small money, which I appreciate so much.
Yes.
And I've been giving you signals for you to notice me. Eh? Eze, I've been giving you signals so many times for you to notice me, but you've not been noticing me. Just look at, it's because of you that I'm wearing all these short things now. Just look at me. Am I not beautiful enough?
And now this council just resumed work yesterday after her 2 weeks suspension, and you started asking her out. That stupid and ugly and dirty council. Is it fair?
Tina.
What?
I don't know why you are saying this to me. And as such, we cannot get married or date now.
See, Eze, if we can't get married, then we can date. Yes.
See, Tina, I am not ready for such an abomination.
But there are people doing it secretly in this village now.
That is people. You just said people. I am not people. I am not ready to do such. I am not ready. See, like I said before, you are beautiful. But my heart do not beat for you. My heart beats for a council. Alright? Now, have I stopped giving you the small money and gift? The answer is no. I am not ready to commit such an abomination. And the history of our kingdom has it that we are one blood. So as such, I cannot do such thing that you are requesting from me. I can't do it.
No problem. Please excuse me, I'm off to work.
Tina.
History master.
No wonder she has been behaving strange each time I come to the shop. Tina, please help me and beg her now, please.
Yeah, I just got into my office now. Yeah, I just came in now. It's alright. I think I'll take you to the site so you get to see everything. Yeah. We'll talk about that during lunch. Yes. Alright. It's alright there. So, how are you doing? It's okay then. Alright, no problem. Alright. Nothing. Alright then. Bye.
Of course. My night was splendid. So how are you? Are you serious? Can you just stop? You're actually picking on me right now. I'm serious. It's alright. Okay. Lunch will be fine. Alright. I'm in. See you there. Bye. Get her out. Hey, what is it? Why are you two behaving like rats?
Ma, you know you went out yesterday and did not come back.
Yes.
I want to tell you something. Something that happened here yesterday when you were not around.
What happened? Can't support my customer.
Madam, no be me. I know they fight again. Anything wey concern fight, no concern me. After I don't do praying and fasting, nothing concern me and fight. Even me and God, we get agreement. I don't know where teach they talk. You no concern me. No be me.
Tina, tell me, what is it? Talk to me.
Ma, Chikanso left here yesterday to watch Chelsea match.
Tina.
What?
Tina.
What is it?
After you don't drink my milk, chop my gala, you still open mouth, talk. Tina, you dey very wicked. Upon waiting me, I no need beg you. We gather mouth, beg you yesterday, beg you well. You still open your mouth, talk. You see talk. No one. No wahala. You don't talk na abi. Maybe. No problem.
Wait. Chikamso, did you dare flaunt the rules you signed?
Madam, no vex. That one dey body. E dey body. Anything wey concern Chelsea, e dey body, e dey blood. I no fit stop am. I tell you na me be queen of Chelsea, aka queen of Chelsea, aka Stamford Bridge, aka the sky, aka. Wetin happen? I no go introduce myself. Why introduce myself now? Why they call me? Make madam for dey understand where I dey come from. Madam, the case as e be like this, I no fit help am. Yesterday when you give me things so I do am finish. After I don finish am, na so that spirit of Chelsea wey be better spirit enter me, push me. I come say okay, make I go watch game. Say nothing spoil. As I reach, e come be like say na because I come, we win. Madam, we win. You don't see am.
You stopped Tina for telling me the truth. No, ma. Get out. No, please. I said you should leave. Get out! Chikamso, it is the end. Your road.
Ma, I don't understand which road.
My shop. I don't want to see you in my shop anymore. It is over. Go!
Madam, no vex o. You dey pursue me comot for your shop because say I go watch Chelsea match.
Just go. Go where you have the freedom to watch your Chelsea match, not in my shop. I said you should leave.
E don do na, I no dey shout. On top this shop. No dey shout make for no tear your nerve. On top shop wey be rules and regulations too much, even if na heaven. Even if na heaven. Abeg, don't stress me. You don too stress me for this your shop. Every small thing go dey shout. Every small thing go dey shout. On top wetin I do, I keep person. Say I watch ball. Na dey bring all these things. Scared of wetin? Madam, wetin? You no fit beat me. On a normal day, me and you fight, I go kill you. Na because say you be my dad, I just dey respect you. As for you, only you go dey this shop. Na if I slap you now, I go be like, wetin go happen? Wetin go call police?
I will arrest you.
Na today, I dey sleep for cell normal level. Dey mad. Normal level, madam, I will beat you join o. Call Inspector Okoro, tell am say na me, tell am say na Chikamso, you know me. I be regular customer.
Leave me shop.
No, you tear your vein. On top wetin? On top this place wey heat go kill person. That's why they swell like pea.
A Chelsea fan, chicken someone mama. A crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If your talk could not be Chelsea talk, in a comparison, chicken someone mama. If you like.
Olivia, what is it now?
Next time, if you hear my name, calm. You no go wait them make them put soap inside and you go. I never even start. You dey shout. If I wire you, you dey mad. See, you don't break my cane. You don't break my. Wetin be that? If you shout, hey. Back your man, Daddy. If I hear me again, you go increase am. Nonsense girl. You don't break it. Now this one now will do.
Please, I will not do it again.
You not do it. This place no dey pay. You see all these police, they no dey sabi pay. Now you position your nyash. It's a goal. Position dey mad. I say position nyash. Shey na Jesse dey pay you. I go score goal with your nyash. Because I dey call her nyash. Oya put dry your pimple for one place. Position your pimple for one place. Those two pimples. One nyash dey shake. E dey move. If you shout, hey guy, if you shout, I go rush you. When I rush you, join. I put nyash. Hold your mouth. He said go. Wetin be that? Wetin be that? My join am together. You dey shout abi? Now dey make it.
Chikanso, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I'm asking you. What is wrong with you? Eh? From one problem to another. From one police case to another. Chikanso, take a good look at your mother now. Look at your mother. Do you want to kill her? I'm asking you.
I don't want to kill anybody.
Do you want to kill her? Eh? How could you torture a small girl like that, Chikanso? Do you want to kill that girl? You want to bring a problem, abi? You want us to start running?
She my work where she won't spoil. Na normal thing, abi? Na my work where she don't spoil. Na normal thing. No, at the afternoon, na normal thing. Na normal level.
I said shut up.
Okay.
I said close
right.
your mouth.
No problem.
Eh?
No problem. No
you
problem.
promise that you're not going to leave that shop to go and watch that your stupid so-called chasing match. Eh? You pended your signature there, and I did so. Chikanso, listen, don't talk when I'm talking. What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with him? He say, why the girl go dey put mouth for wetin no concern? Na she be my madam. Na she employ me. Why she go carry her mouth go for wetin no concern? She chop grace. I be na grace chop am. She dey worry her for her village. Una wan make her just keep quiet.
Sister, I'm telling you, if anything happens, I will not come out again, no. Chikanso, I'm telling you, I will not help you.
Don't help me.
So don't even bother asking.
Auntie, no help me, abeg. Wetin kind help be this? This help wey dey take threaten person. Auntie, no help me again. Your help won't kill me. Your help won't kill me. This kind help won't kill person. No help me again. They choke me. Which kind help be that?
Sure you see.
They threaten me with help.
See the way somebody
no help me
just
again.
Get out from police station.
Which kind help be that? If I leave me there now.
See the way her mouth is running like a tap.
Leave me there. I no go come out.
Ike, I'm tired. I am tired.
In fact, don't you ever, I'm warning you, don't you ever in your life call my line again for any help. Be it recharge card, be it toiletries. Don't call me Chikanso. From today henceforth, you will start working and be helping yourself. Are you hearing me? Anyway, I'm out of this place now. You will hear from my former boss because I'm not going to beg again for her. I will not beg.
And you no beg now.
Chikanso.
I don't tell anybody make them beg for me. No beg.
I don't
no beg. This kind of way they help when they tell the whole people say you they help me. No help me again. No beg.
Chikanso.
I beg you make you beg.
Chikanso.
Who beg you?
Chikanso.
They call me like say I don't die. I never die now. They call me like say they.
Hey.
Wetin happen?
Chikanso onye mere gị.
Which kind thing be that one now? They call me like say
who did
spirit today.
Hey! Onye mere gị. Who did this thing to you, Chikamso? Hey! I know that your father, wherever he is in his grave, he will be regretting his life now. Because when I was begging him to leave you alone, leave my daughter out, do not take her to those viewing centers, he will take it. Chelsea, Man U, Toria, Hancha. Well, look at it. Look at what he has turned you to. Chelsea has finished you. Chikamso Ifuola, Egwola. Chelsea, Egwola. Even men, they can't come because they know you want Chelsea man. Hey! Chikamso, you will leave my house. You have to leave my house. Hey!
And now here be my papa house, so I no.
Hey!
But my own be say make dem no dey put mouth for wetin no concern dem. Hey! Wetin no concern dem, when dem no dey put mouth because say dem dey help me wetin.
Hey!
No beg, no help me again.
Chimo!
All I know say make person enter my wallet. Anybody enter my wallet, cheat you fuck up. Normal left.
Hello.
I have to go for that party.
And I say you're not going anywhere.
You're wasting your time. You are wasting your precious time, Frank. Because I'm going.
Mike told this woman, your friend, not to go for that party. And she agreed. And here I am telling you not to go for that same party and you're raising the roof.
Which of my friend? Which friend are you talking about? Bella. The Bella I know or another person? Let me inform you. Mike does everything Bella wants him to do. The only reason why she's not coming for this party is because she's going to Dubai with a friend.
Nothing else.
Is that what you think?
It's what I know. It's what I know. What is wrong with you? I'm just your fiancé, for God's sake. I'm not your wife. So stop trying to control my every move.
Do you know that Mike comes to the office every day with food? Food made by Bella, your friend. She makes food for him every morning before he comes to the office.
Oh, please go and sit down. They're just fooling you. Mike cooks. Did you hear me? Mike cooks all the food in that house. Bella does nothing. He doesn't just cook, he washes, he cleans. Like a real man should. Not you. Just cook noodles, you wash your own clothes, you clean your own house. You're already grumbling all over the place.
You know what? I'm done having this conversation. I'm getting a maid.
Oh, thank you. Really? Woo, bravo. What? Now you're talking. That's what I was expecting. You get a maid.
I am going to get a maid who will respect me, who will keep my house clean, who will make me food whenever I want food.
That's what you need. You need a maid, because I am not one. Get her today. Nonsense. What's all this? Am I your wife? Just trying to control my every move. Please stop it all. Go and get the maid. I'm not your domestic staff. You want to turn me into a slave? Ah, nonsense. I'm going for that party. Turn me into a slave.
Kamso. How could you beat her like that? Do you want to kill her? You trapped her on the tree and flogged her mercilessly.
Am I not supposed to beat her like that? Am I supposed to fight her? We meet. On a normal day, me and Tina will be doing her like this. I blow me, make her blow. No, nah, insult now. I just pin and put somewhere, beat am like small pikin where she be. They mad. Me and her na mate. On a normal day, we know if not be that shop, she go fit talk to me for road. I better leave that thing.
Kamso. Kamso.
If they too come my name, I don't like her.
Auntie Susan's shop is not the only fashion home you can learn how to sew. Sure you know. There are other fashion home you can go and learn how to stand, become what you want to become.
I beg, I don't want to become anything. I take God beg you. The one where I don't become, don't do. I don't want to become anything. The only thing where I want to become now, make I see myself, they come out from this village. Only you know be another person, man no like give you. My mind no dey here again. I don't want to dey this village. As I dey tell you this thing, if I dey this village, I no go amount to anything. I no go be anything. I don't talk calm. Because he get wetin my mama tell me one day. Anytime I remember that thing, they pay me enter so. My mama open mouth. Tell me we be in Pikin say I dey useless. And because of that thing where she talk, I want proof to her and say I no useless. You dey hear me? So I got to come up for this time, make her prove my point. Anything make me dey this time, no go work. That way she talk go happen. You don't understand am now?
Chikamso just need to change a little bit. That is all what I want from you. You just need to change a little bit. You're not even in a relationship. The only thing you know is Chelsea.
I better leave that matter. Leave that matter. Who relationship? You wait the relationship. How far you? Get Kimi na ya dey. They talk relationship. I better leave that thing. I won't get money now. They talk relationship. See, I tell you, if not be say you don't come, I've been the reason to come your side. I won't see you for something. I get one favor what I need from you. Get with you at the reason whether if you help me arrange. You know, say this city where they go. I know we just carry go. I need to like hold something, take the go. I they look whether you feel reason me like temper. You understand? Make her 40 feet. Take go. Now you I get to. No say now you be the only friend who I get for this village. I beg.
So when do you need the money?
Ha! Talk na do. I too like you. Babe, I too like you. I go need them like today, tomorrow. I mean, even if now, if you give me now, waka, I know they here they do anything. Anytime when money just enter this hand. Now move I dey.
It's okay, Kamso. Anytime you're ready to travel, just let me know. Okay? The only one thing I need from you is just for you to become a better person.
Na the matter, na the process we did. With this money now, where you don't agree, say you go give me. Na better person I don't they become. Ah, my girl, the girlfriend. Babe, this no be one thing. I for carry you up. But more leave am. But you know why I tell like you? You know why I like you? Because you dey get money. You always get money. Now make me like you.
You know they get money.
I tell you one thing, just pray make am. If I make am, I go kill you with enjoyment.
Don't kill me yet.
Oh, I go take flex kill you.
I want you to become
Babe,
a better
you won't
person
die,
first.
na flex go kill you.
Become a better person for me first.
Na
Then
the
you
same
can
thing we dey
wound
talk.
me with flexing.
Na the same thing we dey talk. If you just give me that 10 pound now, I don't become better person by going to the
You want to
city.
leave me and go to the city?
Don't worry
Won't you
now.
miss me?
We go dey talk now. My only friend, my money friend. Friend wey be say if you hook me like this, I call you on hook am. Chop knuckle. You dey there. You go drink water.
Don't go there and start fighting. No.
No, you go drink water make you for digest when we don't talk.
If it's cold, bring it.
Hey, Ngingwa, Chikamso, go to the city and look for a job. Hey, wait, are you going with your Chelsea for life or Chelsea for the dead? Eh? You, you will just go there and beat up somebody for not supporting Chelsea, and they will lock you up.
Mama, just
I will not come to bail you. I got Mabia.
Mama, leave me now. Did I call you to come and bail me? Mama, allow me now. Allow this food to enter and stay there. Allow this food to enter and digest. Now you say you no go give me food for this house. You lock your kitchen. I carry my money. My own money, no be money I collect from you. Go buy food now. Make I chop and make enter my belly, stay there. You no want make you stay. Wetin happen now? Wetin happen? Wetin I do you?
Chikamso, just do and leave my house. Oh? Do and leave my house. Go.
I don't hear you.
Go. If you go, let me know that I am alone. Because you are useless. You are worthless. Look at you. 5 suitors. 5 suitors. Able-bodied men. Good looking. You could not choose one. You chased all of them away with your Chelsea madness.
How I want to choose one, Mama? No, how I want to choose one. Nobody tell you say I no wan marry man wey no be Chelsea fan. I no wan marry man wey me and I no dey the same club. Make we for no fight for house. Make argument for no too much. Because the day when we go win match, you can't be saying that we win their team. Wahala go burst. We go break bottle. The day when be saying that them win us, I no go happy now. So I want man wey be say if they happy, if they win, we win together. If they lose, we lose together. Now you want make I marry Obinna. Obinna will be Manchester. Manchester now that Kotagodo with her. Now I'm going to be left from right. Make I call the ball small red devils. And I'm worried no. They suffer myself.
Hey!
I've been Afam will be Liverpool. We don't know their left from their right. Today they win. The next day they no go win. They go they do them up and down. Now like that confusion go there for the family. Have peace one day the marriage. I've been a Patrick come be Arsenal. When we say that the day when you know expect them to win, then go win. The day when you can't get sure, say okay, they must win these people. Now don't nonsense club when no get head, now go win them. Now that way you won't make a marry. I been at the other way.
Hey, shut up. I don't want to hear.
I don't hear you.
Look at you. Do and go to your city and get the job, Biko.
No problem.
Do and go.
I don't hear.
Let me know I am alone. No
problem.
If you go, you have lost lose go completely.
And you don't lose me again. Allow me lose my lose now. Now you lose. Now my lose, no problem. No problem, Mama. Whether na the chicken where they chop, now they enter your eye, I don't know.
Chicken. I'm going to mumboya. Then I attack chicken.
Every time Mama you go sit down, me you go sit down. I know pot for I dey eat now. I dey eat. I cannot pour in front of you.
What are you doing? Mama, I'm trying to cut the cloth you said I should cut.
Oh,
Welcome, ma.
Thank you. I want you to stay in the shop. You remember your friend nearly killed Tina, and she's very sick. That's why she's not able to come to work. I want you to stay in the shop. Do not go out. The owner of the red clothes is coming to pick it up.
Okay, ma. Ma, which of the red clothes? Is it the one that has red dots?
Yes.
Okay, that one.
No, not this one. Where is she? Okay, that one over there.
Okay.
Mrs. Nkechi.
Okay, ma.
Make sure you collect the money.
Okay.
What did I say? Collect my money.
Yes, ma, I will. Good. Ma, please, I am so sorry for what my friend Chikamso did to Tina. Please,
Keep your sorry to yourself. Remember, you're still on probation. And your suspension is not yet cancelled. Hope you know that. I'm going out for lunch.
Bro, what's up?
Yeah, Mike, I'll need to tidy some things up for me. Okay, I'm going for lunch soon with a client.
Male or female?
Female.
Oh, client. I'm not talking anything, Sha. Your personal decisions.
Better not. Alright? Meanwhile, when I come back, I'll have to review it again. Please don't mess things up for me.
Okay, sir. Yes, manager.
Get out of here.
Mugu. Oh, yeah, no. Talk later.
I'll call you when I'm ready, yeah?
Alright, bro.
She was very, very angry that you said those things to her. I tried speaking to her, but she refused.
I said it. I knew it. There's something going on between that girl and Frank.
With all sense of responsibility in me, I think you're accusing her wrongly. She's not seeing Frank. See, you have to cut these things down. You have to stop it.
So why is she offended? If she's not seeing Frank, why is she offended? To the extent of returning the material and refunding the money? No, answer me.
Because not everyone can take that shit. The Susan I know cannot take anybody's man. So please, I believe her. Stop it. Stop it now. You can revise it. You can change it. You can make your relationship better. Let me ask you. If Frank treats you the same way you're treating him, knowing fully well that he kept a woman in their house who is not cooking, who is not cleaning, who is not even watching, will you be happy if you are him?
So she's not making the gown?
Yes.
She's not making it?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. She's not the only tailor around, okay? She should go to hell. But tell her, if I catch her near my man, I will ruin her career. If I catch her near Frank, she will not like what I'll do to her.
Nina, you used to be a good girl. I have seen you clean. You even wash his car. I have seen you cook and take to his office. So Nina, why don't you want to turn back and change? Make your relationship better. Why?
Let me just tell you, I never really enjoyed doing those things. Yes!
Okay.
I was just doing it to get into his heart, to get into his life. And now I'm there.
You're in now, you became a headache. See, men have the limits they can take. Don't sleep one day, wake up and start regretting it. See, what you're doing to Frank now is like you're kicking him out of your life. Oh.
Hey, it's okay. What is it, Seth? See, let me tell you, it is women like you that end up frustrated in marriage. Why? Because you allow men to treat you just the way they want. Treat you like foot rags. Yes! Why? Because you want to lick their asses. You want to be a good woman. You want to be a good woman. At the end of the day, you lose your worth. You lose your value. And what happens? You become like a piece of shit before them. Not me, Nina. I will not allow any man to treat me like that.
Okay, I've said my own. I've talked to you as a friend. If you like, take it. If you don't like, Nina, no problem.
Hey, you see Frank? He will never stop loving me. I have him on my palm.
Okay.
He's not going anywhere. And why are we all about my life? Please, can we just end this conversation here?
No problem. I'm not talking again. Eh? I've said
please.
my own. If you like, listen. If you don't like, leave it.
Now, wow. Don't be small. Wow. I am telling you that girl made our madam to chase Chikams away from the shop.
Are you serious? Hi! Tina, why? Why? What is wrong with Tina? Eh? What happened?
Honestly, I don't know what is wrong with her. I don't know. But whatever that is wrong with her, Chikamso has dealt with her. Chikamso ko Tina hating kakoro pan. And I am liking it. Because what I've been warning her to stay clear from Chikamso. I have been warning her.
My dear, I saw Tina with my kuro eyes. I follow me.
Oh, you forget?
Do you know that as I'm talking to you now, Tina cannot sit with her bumbo?
I warned her.
Eh? Yeah. She don't sit again. She has been lying down from this place to another place. But wait, Tina of all people should know Kamsi.
Oh.
Kamsi Ojire football team. She doesn't joke with those people. Chelsea. Anybody that is against Chelsea, you are looking for Kamsi's trouble. Eh? She would have avoided this. Eh? I don't know what is wrong with that girl.
I said, do you know how many times I've tried to separate fights in that shop?
Are you serious?
Still the same this Tina Chikamsa and football of a thing. And the worst part of it is that every little thing, this Tina of a girl, her tongue will start wagging.
Are you serious?
She deserves whatever this Chikamsa did to her. She deserves it. In fact, I am loving it. I am liking it. This is just the beginning. I was warning her. As if I knew that a day like this would come. Eze, even me, I'm on suspension in that shop. The madam just called me to come and stay in her shop. As soon as she comes, I'll go back to the house.
Hey,
all thanks to Tina. Did same Tina. That serves her right. As if I knew that a day like this would come. As if I knew. I've been begging Tina, begging her. Stay away from Kamso. Stay away from Kamso. Oh, you even know that?
She's my sister now. I know her. I know her very well.
She don't control her tongue. Cha.
Onye, please, I have somewhere to go. I need to meet up something, okay?
Okay.
What gives you happiness? What gives you happiness? Do it. What gives you joy? It's your destiny. Your destiny. It's your destiny. Don't discourage anyone from what that gives them happiness. You don't know the will of God concerning them. You don't know the will of God concerning them. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. You don't know the